Hello guys, welcome. Selamat datang. Is my voice clear guys? Just want to check. Suara saya jelas tak? Is my voice all good? Clear? Jelas. Okay. So we'll start in 1 more minute guys. You can call your friend to join also. Okay, 1 minit lagi kita mula. Okay, today we are discussing actual SPM paper guys for maths. Okay, actual SPM 2024 paper 2. Okay, we will discuss all the question. Okay, semua soalan kita akan bincang. Alright. So guys, anyone of you have tried this paper before? Siapa kat sini sudah cuba kertas ni? SPM 2024 yang sebenar. Have you all tried already or not yet? Sudah cuba atau belum? One person only tried. Satu orang saja pernah cuba. Only one. Oh, baru tadi. Okay. So yeah, it's actually a good paper to try lah guys because this is the standard of SPM. Okay, so kalau kamu boleh buat kertas ni, maksudnya SPM boleh lah. Tak ada masalah. Okay, this is the standard. Already tried. Okay, good. Okay, so we start now guys. Kita mula sekarang. Oh, it's okay. You just follow me, okay? Follow the discussion. Okay, you just need to listen guys. Just listen carefully when I discuss all the question. Okay, dengar saja. Tak perlu buat. Okay, no need to write down anything. Just listen only. And then when I ask question, you guys answer. That's all. Okay, are we going to do this more often? Yes. This one is the actual SPM paper. So only one time. Okay, yang ni soalan sebenar SPM. Okay, so hari ini sajalah. Okay, satu kali saja. Okay, alright. So guys, the first question. Okay, they ask you to state whether it is a statement or not a statement. Okay, adakah ini pernyataan atau bukan pernyataan? Okay, so the first one is 4 is a multiple of 2. 4 ialah gandaan bagi 2. So adakah yang ni pernyataan? Is this a statement or not? Yes or no? 4 is a multiple of 2. Yes. Okay, this one is a statement. Okay, pernyataan. Sebab kamu boleh tentukan nilai kebenaran dia. Okay, you guys can determine the truth value. So 4 is a multiple of 2. Is it true or false guys? Benar atau palsu? 4 ialah gandaan 2. True or false? Yeah, benar kan? Yeah, so this one is true. Okay, true. Because 4 is a multiple of 2, correct? Okay? Okay, so yeah, done. Okay, y equal to x plus 5. Is this a statement guys? Adakah yang ni pernyataan? Y sama dengan 2x tambah 5. Okay, yes. Okay, this one is no guys. Bukan. Okay, so why? Why you guys say no? Kenapa bukan pernyataan? Any reason? Bila kamu kata bukan, kamu kena ada sebab. Yes, very good. Okay, because you guys got y and x. So y and x dia boleh jadi apa-apa nilai kan guys? Okay, the y and x I can put any value I like. Okay, so that's why it's not a statement. Okay, kalau nilai x dan y tak spesifik, dia bukan pernyataan. Okay, that's the concept. Alright, so yeah, done. Soalan A sudah buat. Okay, next one. The question asks you to write inverse of implication. Songsangan. Okay, so siapa boleh tulis songsangan guys? Bagi yang ni. Just type in the chat box. Negative Q, negate Q, negate P. Okay. Yeah, correct. Tak ada simbol penafian guys. For inverse, right? Got no. Wait. Your order wrong. Urutan kamu salah. Akira Mochi. Okay, check and see again. Jika 2 plus 2 not equal to 2 times 2, maka yeah, correct. Okay, answer from Aisha is correct. Okay, so the answer is guys, if 2 plus 2 is not equal to 2 times 2, then 3 plus 3 is not equal to 3 times 3. Okay, this one is the format. If negate P, then negate Q. Okay, jika nafi P, maka nafi Q. Okay, so kamu kena nafikan pernyataan ni lah guys. Okay, you just need to do negation. So equal sign, negation, you change it become not equal. Okay, tak sama dengan. Itu saja. Okay, so yeah. So is it true or false? The inverse. Adakah songsangan ni benar atau palsu? Okay. Lagi. Okay. So yes, the answer is true. Okay, jawapan dia benar. Okay, because if 2 plus 2 not equal to 2 times 2, then 3 plus 3 is not equal to 3 times 3. Yeah, correct lah. Okay. Benar. Okay, this one is correct. Alright. You guys can also use the table. Okay, to get the answer, right, guys? I don't know whether you guys remember there is a table. Ada nilai untuk semua nilai kebenaran dia kan. Okay, there is a table in your maths textbook for the true or false. For implication, inverse, converse, contrapositive. Okay, semua empat ni dia ada jadual. So, kamu ikut jadual saja, nilai dia akan benar. Okay, sebab yang pertama ni salah. Okay, first one is false. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 times 2. This one, yang ni benar. So, false and true. Kalau palsu dengan benar, untuk songsangan, inverse. Okay, if you have false and true, the combination is you should get the answer is 2. Okay, so the jadual you guys kena ingat lah. Okay, you must remember the table. Okay, you can refer for textbook guys for your table. Okay, ada dalam buku teks form 4 chapter 3. Okay, so yeah, this one is a fact. Okay, so continue guys. Question 1, all of you clear? Semua jelas? Soalan pertama, all of you okay? Clear? Okay, so next one. Question number 2. Okay, so soalan 2 is about graph. Okay, so you guys need to draw this graph. Okay, quadratic. Okay, you need to draw y equal negative x square plus 4. Dengan menggunakan semua nilai ni. Okay, you need to use all this value and then you must plot the graph. Okay, so guys, very simple. You just need to plot the point one by one lah guys. Okay, kamu plot titik saja satu demi satu. Okay, so you just follow the scale negative 3, negative 5. So okay, I show you guys direct lah. Okay, this one is very basic. Okay, so your graph should get like this. Okay, just plot all these points here. So total you guys got 6 points. Okay, kamu kena plot 6 titik ni. So dia jadi macam ni. Okay guys, this one any question? Ada apa-apa soalan? I think this is quite straightforward, right? Tak ada apa-apa nak terangkan. Okay, plot saja. Alright. This one is SPM paper guys. SPM actual paper. Okay, soalan sebenar SPM 2024. So we'll cover all the chapters. Okay, semua bab kita akan bincang dengan soalan. Okay, this one SPM actual paper. Terlepas soalan mana? 2. Yang ni soalan 2. Okay, Abdullah. So you guys just need to draw quadratic graph. Okay, so make sure your graph. Oh, soalan 1. Oh, tak apalah, recording. Okay, kamu boleh lihat recording. Oh, nak screenshot jawapan boleh. Sada. Screenshot. Okay, yang ni jawapan. Alright. Bila habis bagi tahu Okay. Alright, next one. Okay, so guys, make sure when you guys draw the graph, right? Try to draw it neatly. Okay, cuba lukis dengan kemas. Okay, so when you draw this graph, freehand. Okay, take note guys, freehand. All of you must use freehand, tangan bebas. Okay, tak perlu guna pembaris atau apa-apa. Okay, direct freehand. Okay, yes, flexible ruler also can. Kalau nak guna pembaris graph tu boleh juga, supaya boleh bantulah. Okay, but usually I will recommend freehand. Okay, saya akan guna freehand. Alright, so boleh guys? Jelas? So you get this kind of shape. This is quadratic graph. Okay, so yeah. Okay, next one guys, soalan ketiga. Okay, so question 3 is about lower form. Okay, this one is lower form topic. And plan and elevations. Okay, plan dan dongakan. But not that difficult lah guys. Okay, so the question, can we round off when plotting? Let me see. 2.1, wait, let me check. 2.1 negative. Cannot round off. Because you see your scale, Josephine, can you see here? Is 0.1. The smallest scale is 0.1. Can you see? So there is no need to round off. You just follow the exact value guys. Okay, tak perlu bundakan. Sebab skala dia yang paling kecil 0.1. Okay, can guys? So direct, use all the value. Okay, negative 2.1 you can plot. Negative 0.4 also can plot. Okay, so then you guys will get this graph. Okay, continue guys. Okay, so next one. Okay, so S is the midpoint of RT and V is 3.5 meters vertically above point W. Okay, so S ni adalah titik tengah. Okay, so this one midpoint, and then V is 3.5 meters vertically above W. Okay, so yang ni 3.5 lah. Okay, this one is 3.5 meter, and then square base. Okay, tapak dia segi 4 sama. So this is 2 meter, this is 2 meter. Correct? Because total must be 4 meter. Okay, because square. Segi 4 sama. Okay, this one also 4 meter. This one also 4 meter. So you guys just label lah semua benda. Okay, so now the question asks you to name the angle of elevation of V from S. Okay, V from S, guys. What is the angle? Apa nama sudut dia? Sudut dongakan V dari S. Yes. Okay, the answer is VSW. Okay, so V dari S maksudnya garis yang ni lah, guys. Okay, you follow this triangle. Okay, so dari S maksudnya sudut kamu kat S. Okay, whenever question say from S, means your angle is over there. Okay, so the angle is VSW. Okay, boleh dapat, guys? So the answer is VSW. Or WSV also can. Okay, yang ni dengan yang ni sama. Okay, same meaning. Alright, can guys? Boleh? Sudut tunduk is angle of depression. Okay, cannot. Must write the label. For part A, must use alphabet, guys. Kamu kena guna huruf untuk tulis. Okay? When they ask you name the angle, always use the letters. Okay? Kena guna huruf. Okay? Yes, yes. Correct. Nothing else. When question say name, like this. SWV. SWV cannot. SWV sudah berbeza, guys. Okay? You must take note. Over here is angle S. We always read the middle, guys. Okay? Kita boleh baca yang kat tengah-tengah saja. So kalau tulis SWV, maksudnya sudut kamu sekarang W tau. Salah. Sudut dia sepatutnya S. Faham tak? So S kena kat tengah-tengah. Okay, S wajib. Okay, in the middle. Alright. Should we include the, wait, sorry. When to mention is acute angle. Okay. Type. When question asks you type of angle. This one question asks name. Okay. Amin Hafi. When the question say type, dalam BM jenis sudut. Jenis sudut baru yang sudut tirus, sudut cakar, sudut reflex, semua tu. Okay, only type. Your right angle, what else? Acute angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle. When question say type, okay, atau jenis, baru guna jawapan tu. Okay, should we include the angle symbol? Yes, must include angle symbol, guys. Okay, yang ni menunjukkan sudut. Simbol ni wajib tunjuk. Okay, must show. Okay, this symbol. Alright. Because the middle is the angle. Middle is the angle. Wait, Abdullah Yudas. I don't understand what you mean. Middle is the angle. You mean this one, right? VSW, right? Teacher, later you will share. Yes, yes, got recorded video also. Okay, so Abdullah Yudas. Oh, I think he meant VSW. Yeah, correct. Correct lah. VSW is correct. All right. Yeah. Understand? Okay, so now they want you guys to count the angle. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai sudut dongakan. Okay, you need to find VSW. Okay, so any idea, guys, how to find VSW? Ada apa-apa idea tak? Macam mana cari? Use tangent ke? Okay, Sat. Tangent. Okay, you guys can use SOHCAHTOA because it's right angle. Okay, segitiga sudut tegak. So SOHCAHTOA boleh lah. Okay. So 4 meter kat sini, 2 meter kat sini. So you guys can find this one, right? Kamu boleh cari panjang yang VS. Okay, you guys can find VS. Alright. Okay, so VS is actually square root. Sorry. 4 meters yang lain. Sorry ya. Start. Okay. You guys can see this one. Okay, this line WS. So WS kamu rasa berapa, guys? If you guys think and see. How much is the WS? 2 meters. Okay, so 4 meters divided by 2, right? Okay, bagi 2. Alright, can? Yes. You can say 2 meters, yes. Are you recording from GM or other app? Other apps. I'm not using GM. Alright? So yeah, I think this one is the midpoint lah, guys. Okay, W ni titik tengah. Okay, let me check and see. S is the midpoint of RT. I think must assume, then only can. Okay, kamu kena anggap dia adalah titik tengah. Okay, just assume W is the midpoint. Okay, so 4 meters divide by 2 lah guys. Okay, so this one is 3.5 meters. And then this one is 2 meters. So you guys can use tangent. Okay, tangent theta equal to 3.5 over 2. Opposite over adjacent. Okay, bertentangan bahagi bersebelahan. Yeah, correct. Okay, so you guys can press calculator. So let me check. You should get the answer 60.3. Do you all get this answer guys? Semua dapat tak nilai yang ni untuk sudut? Just now what person? Yes, Aisha correct. Okay, 60.26 correct. Okay, yeah, correct. Okay, so you guys can see the answer. Ya, ini jawapan dia. Okay, you guys give in degrees and minutes. This one also same lah guys. Okay, nilai dia sama saja. Okay, if you press calculator, let me check and see. Yeah. Okay, based on the calculator, this is 60.25 degrees. So can lah? Boleh. Why we use tangent? Tangent because opposite over adjacent. Abdullah Wildas. Because this one, your VW, this one in red, is the opposite. Okay, yang ni bertentangan. And then this one in blue, WS is your adjacent, bersebelahan. So tangent opposite adjacent. So katwa, TOA, tangent opposite adjacent. Okay, so bertentangan ada, bersebelahan ada, so tangent lah. Alright, understand guys? Do you all get the concept? Clear? Jelas Boleh? Okay, continue. Okay, next one. Okay, question 4. Okay, so now question 4 is about insurance, guys. Okay, Form 5, Chapter 3. Okay, so the question is, they want you to find surgery cost after deductible. Okay, cost pembedahan selepas deductible. Alright. Okay, so the cost is 38,000. Okay, very simple lah, guys. So after deductible means what to do, guys? Apa jawapan dia? Terus, deductible is 3,000. Cost 38,000. Yeah. Okay, just take 38,000 minus 3,000. Okay, so your answer is 35,000. Sangat senang. Okay, tolak saja. Alright. Okay, now, what is the medical cost borne by Suzy? Okay, cost perubatan yang ditanggung oleh Suzy. Okay, so now, 75 or 25? Which is the correct percentage, guys, yang kamu kena guna kalau pemegang policy holder now? Yes. Okay, policy holder always the lower value, 25%. Okay, so 25%, you guys can times with 35,000. Okay, kali dengan nilai ni. Okay, 25% times 35,000. Is that all? Adakah macam ni saja jalan kira? Okay, apa lagi kena buat? What else I'm missing here? Yes, very good. Don't forget, you guys must plus back deductible. Okay, kamu kena tambah balik deductible 3,000. Yes. Okay, so 25% times 35,000 plus 3,000. Okay, so this is the answer. 11,750. Okay, boleh guys? Soalan ni, are you all clear? Simple, right? Senang kan? So far, all the question are basic. Okay, basic punya soalan. Okay? Yes. Okay, so continue guys. Next one. Question number 5. Okay, question 5 is on quadratic. Okay, so soalan 5, they want you guys to show. Kamu kena tunjukkan sekarang guys. Okay, tunjukkan kamu dapat persamaan ni. Okay, so maths also you guys need to know how to show. Okay, show that W square plus 10W minus 2,000 equals 0. Okay, so the question say length is 10 cm more than the width. Okay, so what is the length guys? Panjang tu 10 cm lebih daripada lebar. So, apa ungkapan dia? What's the expression? Yes. Okay, 10 plus W or W plus 10 lah, kan? Okay, boleh. Yes. Okay, and then now you guys must find the volume lah. Okay, cari isi padu. Your total is 120,000. Okay, so W times W plus 10 times 60 equal to 120,000. Okay, this is your expression. Okay, ungkapan bagi isi padu. Alright. Okay, so you guys expand, kembangkan. plus 10W equal to 60 saya bawa ke sini. So 120,000 divide 60. You guys will get 2,000. Okay, 2,000. So W square plus 10W minus 2,000 equal to 0. So sudah buktikan tak guys? Yes. Okay, we already show the answer. Sudah. Okay, understand guys? Are you all clear with this? Jelas? So this is how you prove part A. Okay, alright, next one. Now they want you guys to find the width. Kamu kena cari lebar. Maksudnya cari W lah. Okay, you guys must solve the equation. Okay, so just factorize. Buat pemfaktoran biasa. Okay, tekan calculator. So you have 110 and negative 2,000. Okay, so W minus 40 and W plus 50. Okay, so answer is W is 40 or W is negative 50. Okay, mana yang kita reject guys? Which one are we going to reject over here? 40 or negative 50? Common sense lah guys, panjang tak boleh negative kan? Length cannot be negative, so this one is wrong. Salah. Okay, so this is the answer. W equal to 40. If mine 120,000 equal to 60W, can. Boleh. Asalkan boleh dapat yang ni. Tak ada masalah. The working doesn't matter guys. Jalan kira tu tak penting. Asalkan boleh dapat yang ni. Faham tak? Okay, the most important thing you must show the answer. Okay? Yes. Okay, negative 50 you guys reject. Okay, so the answer is 40. Alright? Okay, so this is the answer guys. Are you all clear? This question? Jelas? So far okay, right? SPM question, you know guys. So you guys can do means should be okay. Alright, so next chapter. Okay, this one is about network in graph theory. Okay, rangkaian teori dalam graph. Okay, so the question is list the set of vertices. Okay, kamu kena senaraikan set bucu. Okay, this one very simple lah guys. Kamu senaraikan semua ni. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Melaka, Shah Alam, Kuala Lumpur, Ipoh. Okay, this is your answer. So make sure you guys use the bracket like this. Okay, yes. Kamu kena guna kurungan melengkung. Okay, use the curly bracket. Alright, so you write V equal to like this. Okay, so you guys can see the answer here. Okay, so tulis macam ni. Okay, make sure you guys use this bracket. Kurungan kena macam ni. Okay, take note. Okay, if you guys use like this, kalau tulis macam ni salah, totally wrong. Okay, this type of bracket tak boleh. Okay, hanya macam ni. Okay, so yeah. Okay, now question asks you determine the sum of degrees. Bilangan darjah. Okay, so what is the answer guys? Can you try and see? Okay, sama-sama. What is your sum of degrees guys? First step, you guys just need to count your number of edges. Okay, cari bilangan tepi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, bilangan tepi 6 kan? Your number of edges is 6. So automatic sum of degree is 2 times 6. Yes, guna rumus saja. Okay, so your answer is 12. Okay, remember the formula guys. Okay, sum of dv equal to 2ne. Ini rumus dia. Okay, take note. Alright, can guys? Boleh? So this is the answer, 12. Okay, alright, next one. Okay, so now the question want you to find the cheapest route. Kamu kena cari laluan yang paling mudah, yang paling murah. Okay, Melaka to Ipoh. Alright, and total fare. Okay, so they want the cheapest. Melaka to Ipoh. Okay, bus tak boleh. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so Melaka to Ipoh, anyone? What is the cheapest? Can you count and see? Mana yang paling murah? Melaka to KL to Ipoh. Melaka to KL to Ipoh. Wait, let me check and see. Plus 25, 50. Wait, let me check. Okay. Direct tak boleh. Direct tak boleh sebab sudah habis tiket. Okay, so this method cannot guys. 37 tak boleh. So kamu kena cari option yang kedua. I sent already in the WhatsApp group the actual paper. Okay, Melaka to KL to Ipoh. Yeah. Okay, this one is the cheapest. Okay, so you guys must use this one. Okay, Melaka, KL, Ipoh. Okay, this one. Alright. This is the answer. Are you in my WhatsApp group? or Telegram group? Okay. If you never get, you can SPM Neti group, is it? If you are inside SPM Neti group, then I already sent the paper there. You can check and see. Saya sudah hantar. Alright. You can download from there. Okay, so 1440 and 2550. Okay, so you guys just plus the values, tambah nilai. So then you will get the answer. Okay, 3990. Okay, understand guys? Faham? Are you all clear with this? Can? Can, no problem. Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, so question 7 is about financial management, pengurusan kewangan, form 4, chapter 10. Okay, so they ask you, state one of Razi's fixed expenses. Kamu kena nyatakan perbelanjaan tetap. Okay, so mana kat sini perbelanjaan tetap, guys? Fixed expenses. Sewa rumah, yes. Okay, rent is always fixed, correct? Sama? Lagi? Selain yang tu? Yes, very good. Insurance premium also is fixed. Anything else? Ada lagi tak? Groceries how can fix? Sharifah, macam mana perbelanjaan dapur boleh tetap? Guys, if tetap okay, common sense guys. If groceries fix, means that every single month, right, you must buy the exact same thing. Setiap bulan kamu kena beli benda 100% sama, baru boleh tetap. Faham tak? Tak boleh kan? Okay, impossible. Unless you are so perfect lah. Okay, tak ada manusia macam ni. Okay, so yeah. Pemberian ibu bapa. Okay, allowance. Okay, allowance biasanya yang ni ada debat sikit. Sometimes allowance, right, is fixed. Sometimes it's variable. Kadang-kadang dia tetap, kadang-kadang dia tak tetap. Pemberian ni. So, kalau boleh jangan tulis itulah sebagai jawapan. Kadang-kadang controversial sikit. Alright? Because sometimes the parents, sometimes they want extra. Am I right? Hiburan tetap Guys, entertainment can be fixed Wow. If entertainment fixed guys, means that you guys do what Every time you guys want entertainment, right? Hanya sejumlah tu saja boleh. Kalau nak lebih tak apa. Tak boleh. Okay, sebab kamu akan melebihi nilai ni. Faham tak? Petrol pun berubah. Guys, harga petrol selalu berubah kan? Am I right? The price of petrol keep going up, down, up, down, up, down. So, mana boleh tetap? Confirm tak boleh tetap. Alright? So, the answer you guys pilih antara dua ni lah paling bagus. Okay, house rent and insurance premium. Okay? Let me see. Yes, the format is like this. Correct. Okay, so you guys can see the answer. So, over here, the allowance is variable guys. Okay, pemberian ibu bapa dia tidak tetap. Okay, because got only two answer. Okay, so yeah. Okay, all right. So next one. Okay, so now the question say he wants to save 80% of the cash flow for down payment. Okay, dia nak jimat 80% daripada aliran tunai. Okay, so first step guys, you need to count the cash flow. Okay, salary 3,800. Yes, correct. Utility also is variable. Okay, tidak tetap utility. Alright. Okay. Why date? Date or did? Okay. So guys, what is the cash flow? Anyone? Can you count and see? Apa aliran tunai dia? Cash flow is your income minus expenses. Okay. Pendapatan tolak perbelanjaan. Alright? Yeah, correct. Okay, so you guys, if count, you should get the answer 950. Do you all get it? 950. Okay, jawapan dia untuk aliran tunai. Okay, 3,800 tolak semua ni. Minus every single thing. Okay, so kalau tolak semua, you guys will get 950 and then dia nak jimat 80% kan? So 80% kali dengan 950 lah. Okay, 80% times 950. So you get how much he saved. Okay, so total 95 times 8. Yeah, 760. Okay, dapat guys? Did you all get the answer? Clear? So ini jawapan dia. Alright? Can guys? So far easy, right? Tak susah kan? That's why I say if you guys basic strong, right, in all these topics, you can answer very easy one. Okay? Alright. So now we come to Form 5, Chapter 7. Okay, Chapter 7, Form 5. Measure of dispersion, group data. Wait, is it group or ungroup? Group data. Oh, group data come out section A. Surprising. Okay, so do we need to write aliran tunai positive? No need. Tak perlu. Straight away count. Okay, because question never ask you to explain. Okay, soalan tak suruh terangkan. So, direct. Okay, direct give the answer. Alright, and guys, all of you, no problem. Okay, so next one. Okay, so for question 8, they want you guys to complete the midpoint. Okay, kamu kena cari titik tengah. Okay, so can you all tell me for this one, what is the midpoint? All of you, apa titik tengah dia? Simple. Yeah, you just take the middle lah. Okay, the rest I think you guys know how to do lah. Okay, 23, 28, 33, 38. Lengkapkan saja. Okay, that's all. Alright. No need to show working guys. Tak perlu jalan kira. Straight away answer. Okay, so next one. Now the question want you guys to complete the actual frequency column. Okay, so wait Okay, so you guys kena lengkapkan yang ni lah. Okay, actual frequency. Okay, so recorded frequency and actual frequency. Wait guys. Actual frequency. Found that the data 19 minute, 13 minute not recorded. Okay. Okay, I understand. Okay, means that this one there is some mistake. Okay, kat sini dia ada silap. Yang ni yang sebenar. Faham tak? Okay, recorded frequency can have error, but actual frequency is the correct one. Okay, yang kena divide tu yang mana? Yang ni 16 tambah 20 bahagi 2, 18. 21 tambah 25 bahagi 2, 23. Faham tak? Okay, pola dia macam tu. Okay, can kamu ambil nilai terendah tambah tertinggi bahagi 2. Okay, untuk titik tengah. Alright. Okay, so next one guys. Untuk cari midpoint. Yeah, correct. Okay, so they say that 19 minute and 35 minute not recorded guys. Okay, dua-dua ni dia tak record. Okay, 19 and 35. So maksudnya yang ni akan jadi berapa guys? Kalau satu tak record. So actual berapa? In order to find the x and draw the frequency polygon. Now we not yet drawing Chan Wei Lun. Now we completing the table first. Okay. So guys, how much is the value here? Dia kata satu tak record untuk 19 minit. Two student who spend 19 minute and 35 minute. Wait dua orang murid masing-masing meluangkan masa. Okay, I think wait guys. I think over here is 2, you know. Okay, ada dua orang dia tak record. 2 dan 2. 19 and 35. 35 kat sini. Okay, maksudnya kamu kena tolak 2 lah guys. Okay, you just need to minus 2. Okay, so the rest is the same. Semua sama. Kecuali yang 2 tu, kamu tolak lah sebab tak record. Okay, these two students, they never record. Okay, 4 and 15. Okay, let me check. Saya pun tak sure. Wait Why plus 1? Saat two student not recorded. Oh, not recorded. Okay. Kalau tak record maksudnya kena tambah lah kalau yang sebenar. Okay, I understand. Okay, because they say not recorded, right? Okay, so not recorded means that you guys must plus 1. Kena tambah 1. Okay, this one and this one must plus 1. Okay, because not recorded. Okay, the two student is separate guys. Dia berasingan bukan untuk satu-satu. Dua orang. So you guys get 7 and 18. Okay, dua orang murid masing-masing meluangkan masa 19 minit dan 35 minit. Okay, so 1 and 1. Okay, can guys? Like this, Chan Wei Lun. Bukan. Guys, this is not cumulative frequency Bukan kekerapan longgokan Tak sama Sekarang dia nak sebenar, actual. Okay, don't assume it is cumulative. Not separate. Bahasa. You must read the sentence carefully, guys. They say two students spend 19 and 35 minutes respectively. Respectively, you guys must understand. Masing-masing. Masing-masing maksudnya satu 19 minit, satu 35 minit. Faham tak? Hello Razik. Now only hello. After 8 soalan sudah habis baru hello. Okay. What's the difference between recorded and actual frequency? Okay, so recorded is the, okay, recorded frequency is what you do in real life. Okay, kamu buat dalam kehidupan sebenar yang direkod. Actual is the one after you correct the mistake. Means this one there is some mistake over here. Ada kesilapan dalam bacaan. Over here got no mistake. Understand? Saya Mitwan. This is the difference between recorded and actual. Okay, one has mistake in the values, another one no mistake in the value already. Okay, boleh faham guys? Clear? Can Okay, so now you guys need to draw. Okay, you need to draw frequency polygon. Okay, frequency polygon. Okay, x-axis paksi x, polygon kekerapan guna apa? What you guys use? X-axis frequency polygon. Anyone? Anyone? X-axis? Hey, sorry. I never scroll down. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, midpoint correct. Okay, titik tengah. Yes. Wait guys. Let me see your question. 19 minutes. Okay. B midpoint. Yes, correct. Okay, jawapan dia titik tengah. Alright. Okay, so midpoint and then y-axis. Paksi y guna apa? Yes. Okay, you guys must use actual frequency. Okay, kekerapan sebenar. Alright. So frequency polygon, remember guys, y-axis is always frequency. Okay, paksi y untuk kekerapan, polygon kekerapan selalunya kekerapan saja, bukan longgokan only frequency. Okay, so you guys just need to draw like this. Can guys? Boleh dapat? So kamu lukis macam ni. Okay, just follow the point and you plot. Okay. Anyone over here understand what is the meaning of this symbol? Have you all seen this symbol before? Pernah nampak tak? Symbol macam ni. Yes or no? Okay. So for those never seen before, right? I tell you guys the meaning. Okay, maksud dia, kamu skip beberapa nilai. You skip some values. Do you understand? So it's telling you that the scale is not uniform. Okay, dia menunjukkan skala tu tak seragam. Paksi X. Boleh nampak kan? 0 tiba-tiba 8. Tiba-tiba 13. Yang ni 8. Yang ni 5. Tak seragam kan? Not uniform. So when it is not uniform, selalu kamu guna simbol ni. If you guys cannot make it uniform, you do this symbol. Okay, simbol dia macam ni. Something like this. Okay? Yes, Ken. This one is the answer, guys. Boleh guna. Ken. If you cannot make the scale seragam, hanya bila kamu tak boleh bagi skala tu seragam, boleh guna. Faham tak? Kalau boleh bagi skala seragam, jangan guna. Okay? If you can make the scale on the x-axis uniform, then no point to use. Okay? Not compulsory anymore. Yeah, correct. Okay? So if really cannot, then you use it, no problem. Okay? Can guys? All of you? Semua boleh? Soalan ni? So just make sure you guys must touch the x-axis. Okay, kamu kena. Okay, can. No problem. Maybe because the situation never come yet. Dave Lam. Maybe the type of question like this never come before. That's why she didn't tell. Can you put 2 values at asalan? 2 values at asalan. Wait. Oh, okay, I understand. Ken, I understand your meaning. Okay, Razik, you telling like this, right? You put 0 here and then 8 here. Correct? You start with 8 and then 13 and then 15. And then 18. Kau maksudkan macam ni kan? Okay, Ken, boleh. Okay, your asalan, right, guys? Origin, you can also start with 8. No problem. Kalau kamu nak mula dengan 8, boleh juga. Tak semestinya asalan kena kosong. Okay, doesn't mean, guys, you can start with 8, but you must be careful. You must be careful when you write 0. This 0 is referred to y-axis only. Paksi y saja. This 8 refers to x-axis only. Paksi x saja. Faham tak? So kamu boleh tulis macam ni. Jangan tulis 0 atau 8 kat sini ya. Salah. Kawasan ni tak boleh. Sebab kawasan ni untuk dua-dua paksi x dan y. Faham tak? Okay, this region means x-axis and y-axis also same value. But now we want to separate, right? Kita nak pisahkan nilai dia kan 0.8. So kamu buat macam ni. Faham tak? Do you all understand guys? This concept? Clear? Yes, correct. Okay, because not always your x-axis start with 0. Okay, you guys can see the values here. Cuba nampak nilai. Nilai dia tak ada kosong kan? Kat sini. No 0, right? Okay, and also, this one. Yang ni tak ada kosong kan? This value. So, you guys can also start. I don't know, I did that in exam. Which one? You did what in exam? You do like this, is it? This one. This one can guys. Kalau kamu buat macam ni boleh. Tak ada masalah. Can. Still can one. No problem. But, how to say this? Okay, usually for frequency polygon, physics, I don't know guys. Physics, you don't ask me because I don't know the information for the marking scheme. Okay, saya tak tahu skema permarkan untuk fizik. So, I dare not answer this question. Okay, nanti saya cakap salah, saya tak maulah. Okay, but for maths, I can only talk about maths. Okay, so for maths, usually, we don't like the frequency polygon to start with 0. To start over here. Okay, kita selalu tak mau kekerapan polygon kekerapan kita mula kat sini. Faham tak? That's why kita selalu bagi gap. Faham tak? This is just preference guys. Kita suka macam ni. Kita nak gap sikit, baru lukis. Faham tak? That's why kamu nampak kebanyakan polygon kekerapan dia tak mula kat sini. Faham tak? Most of it does not start over here. You leave a bit of a gap, then only you start to draw. Understand guys? So kalau boleh kamu tinggalkan gap macam ni. Faham tak? Okay, just leave a small gap and then you guys start to draw. Then confirm correct. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh dapat? Graph only for polygon kekerapan, right sir? Yes. Gap only for polygon kekerapan, correct. Histogram also can get. Histogram pun boleh tinggalkan sedikit gap kat situ. Alright? Histogram and frequency polygon. Histogram yang ni, yang ada carta palang macam ni. Kamu pernah lukis kan? Like this. Something like this. Histogram. Alright? Ada gap juga. Alright? Can guys? Are you all okay now? Boleh? Clear with the question? Palang to ogive kan? Palang to ogive? What do you mean? Palang to ogive. Oh, palang to ogive. Bukan. Ogive macam ni. Wait. How is the shape? Saya pun okay, like this. Macam ni. Ogive. This one. Is curve. Okay? Graph dia macam ni. Okay? Can guys? Continue Sambung. Okay, so next one. Okay, so question 9. Okay, so question 9 is on graph guys. Graph of motion. Okay, this one physics. If you guys take physics, sangat senang. Okay, so they ask you state the uniform speed, laju seragam, particle X. Okay, so particle X is OABCD. Okay, OABCD is X. I use blue color for X. X is blue, and then Y is red. Okay, Y is this one. Alright. Okay, so what is the uniform speed, guys, for X? The topic. Oh, okay, never mind. You try and see. If you can close the picture on top. Cannot close. This one sadly cannot close because they asked me to subscribe to more premium. Okay, yes. So uniform speed is 25, guys. Okay, 25. Alright, yes. Horizontal part is constant. Okay, so whenever you guys see a horizontal one, it means constant speed. Okay, laju seragam because your y-axis is the speed. Okay, laju. Alright? Yes, so the answer is 25 meter per second. Okay, no working. Straight away, bagi jawapan. Okay? Alright. So next one. Question asks you to find rate of change of speed. Kadar perubahan laju. Okay, so what is the rate of what does rate of change of speed represent? Yang ni mewakili apa? Kadar perubahan laju. Quantity apa? Physics also you guys learn this. Rate of change of speed equal to acceleration lah. So kamu kena cari pecutan. Itu saja. So where to find it, guys? Kamu kena lihat apa? dalam graf. Kalau nak cari kadar perubahan laju. Yes. Okay, whenever you see the word rate, kadar, you guys must find gradient. First 5 second. Okay, 5 saat pertama for Y. Okay, for Y. So you guys refer the red color, this line. Okay, so this coordinate is 5 and 50. So 50 over 5 lah guys. Okay, 50 over 5, your answer is 10. 10 ms negative 2. Okay, your unit is ms negative 2. Yeah. Okay, soalan also nak ms negative 2. U plus V over T. Guys, don't use physics formula here. This one is maths, guys. Okay, jangan guna rumus fizik. Guys, don't use the normal gradient formula enough. Guna rumus kecaunan biasa. Cukup dah. Okay, no need to think so hard. YA225 because uniform. Aisyah, uniform speed, laju seragam, maksudnya garis tu akan mendata. Faham tak? Garis mendata maksudnya seragam. Logik kan? Sebab nilai dia sama. Am I right? Yeah, horizontal is uniform speed. Understand? Sebab dia maintain saja untuk masa dari 4 hingga 6 saat. Boleh ya? So you guys must be smart to analyze the graph, okay? Kena pandai lihat graph. Okay, so the answer is 10 ms negative 2. Okay? Alright, so next one. So now the question want you to find distance. Difference in distance. Beza jarak. X and Y after the 6 second. Okay, 6 second until stop. Okay, so 6 second is over here. This one. Okay, so distance guys. Distance, you have to count what? Over here. Kalau nak kira jarak, kena lihat apa? Yes. Okay, count the area. Luas. Yes. Okay, so you guys can check and see. This one is a trapezium, right? Okay, so you guys can count for trapezium. Okay, so trapezium formula is half sum of two parallel line. Okay, hasil tambah 2 sisi selari. Okay, so this one is 3, this one is 6. So 3 plus 6, and then the height, ketinggian, is 30. So this is the formula. Okay, so jawapan, your answer should get 135. 135 meter. Okay, yes. Okay, and then you guys count for the blue one. Okay, kira untuk yang ni pula. Okay, so this one is a triangle. So triangle, half times base. Base is 6. Height is 25. Okay, 25. Alright. Okay, so if you press calculator, the answer is 75 meter. So then the question say difference, right? Beza. So 135 minus 75. Okay, so your answer is 60 meters. Wait ada silap sorry. The triangle ends here, guys. Sorry It ends at 11. Sorry. This one is 5. Okay, jawapan ni 5. Okay, so you should get 70. Let me see. 125 over 2. 62.5. Sorry guys. This one is 62.5 meter. Okay, so 135 minus 62.5. Okay, so your answer is 72.5 meter. Okay, boleh dapat guys? Are you all clear? This one? Can? Any problem? Clear Okay, continue. Question 10. Soalan ke-10. Okay, this one you guys see graph like this, you guys know what chapter lah. Okay, this one is Form 5 Chapter 6. Fungsi trigonometry. Okay, so the question is about height of his seat on the Ferris wheel. Ketinggian tempat duduk di atas roda Ferris. Wow. Okay, so what type of graph is this, guys? May I know? Sine, cos, or tangent? Confirm is either sine or cos lah, guys. Okay, so you need to check and see. So you guys kena lihat bentuk. Okay, so you guys see over here carefully Okay, I will explain. Don't worry, guys. Kamu cuba nampak bentuk dia kat sini. Kamu boleh tahu dah. The answer is cos. Okay, do you all know why? Because it start like this. Dia naik macam ni. Ya, betul. Okay, bentuk mangkuk. Okay, if you can see the difference, you can see lah, guys. Okay, sine is direct like this. Can you see this? This is sine. Not same, right? Tak sama kan? Okay, so that's why it's cos. Okay, so yeah. So now the question is, they want you guys to find out your A and B. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai A dan cari nilai B. Okay, A represent what, guys? May I know? Nilai A mewakili apa? No, not modulus. Yes, A is amplitude, correct. Okay, so what is the amplitude, guys? This graph. Cuba lihat. What is the value of amplitude? Yes, correct. 16 wrong, guys. If you say 16 salah, okay, remember, amplitude is always from the middle to the top or middle to the bottom. Kamu kena ukur dia dari tengah ke atas atau tengah ke bawah. Ini adalah amplitude, nilai A. Faham tak? If you guys remember physics, for those who take physics, kamu kena tahu yang ni kan, amplitude. Same concept like physics. From the equilibrium position to the maximum or minimum. Okay, dari titik keseimbangan ke titik maksimum atau titik minimum. Faham tak? So that's why nilai ni is 18 plus 2 over 2. Okay, so the answer is 10. So 10, 18, 8. Okay, 18 minus 10 is 8. Okay, so that's why A is equal to 8. Okay, and then B, guys. B represent what? Nilai B mewakili apa? Soalan ni. Yes. Okay, it represent the cycles, correct? Okay, so how to find B? Anyone? Apa nilai dia? 2. You must be careful, guys, over here for your cycle. Okay, you must check and see carefully. The formula is always 360 over N. Remember, to find B, right? Rumus dia macam ni. 360 over N. No, bukan. Okay, you follow this formula, guys. Okay, the N, right? N is the number of minutes for one cycle. Okay, N tu bilangan minit untuk satu kitaan lengkap. So satu kitaan lengkap macam ni kan? This is one cycle, right? So total is 60 kan? 60. Okay, so means that 360 divide 60. So the answer is 6, guys. Do you all understand? Jawapan dia 6. Faham tak? Okay, the formula always remember B equal to 360 over N. Semua jenis graph cos. Okay, 360 over N. Sine also same. Why 60? Because 60 is the time for one cycle. Understand tak? Satu kitaan lengkap 60 saat. So kalau kamu ambil jumlah masa atau jumlah sudut lah 360, kamu bahagi dengan satu kitaan lengkap, kamu dapat bilangan kitaan lengkap lah, iaitu B. Faham tak? 360 is total. Total always the same. 360. Divide by the time for one cycle. Then you get the number of cycle lah. Am I right? Total divide by 1, you get the number. Okay? So yeah. So this is the answer, guys. Understand? Are you all clear? Jelas? 6 out of 360, sir. 360 over 6. Yeah, you can say 1 over 6 times 360 also is the same. Like this. Okay, but the formula is 360 over N. Understand? N is the time or angle for one cycle. Satu kitaan lengkap. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? All good? Okay, continue. Okay, next one. Okay, so now they ask you guys determine the height at the 73rd second. Okay, so now you guys got A and B, right? So you guys boleh tulis balik -8 cos 6x plus 10. Okay, this is your function. Okay, 73rd second means that, okay, how many minutes, guys? Time is second. So you can direct, gantikan lah. Okay, x equal to 73. Kamu cari y, itu saja. Because y is the height, ketinggian. Alright. So you guys just need to substitute and press calculator. Okay, gantikan dan tekan. Alright. So if you press calculator, the answer is 8.34 meters. Okay. Are you all okay, guys? With this, clear? All good? Clear? So this is how you do three-go question lah. Where will you send the recording? My recording I will post on my YouTube also. So you guys can search my YouTube channel, then you can see the recording there. Okay? You just search my name, it will come out. Okay, just search my name on YouTube. Okay? All right. So next one, guys. Now we will go to section B. Okay, section B is about transformation. Okay, this question is transformation. Okay, anyone weak in this topic or not? Siapa lemah? Transformasi. This topic is important, guys. Section B favorite, transformasi. Okay, so you guys listen carefully this topic. Dengar betul-betul. Okay, TUVW is the image of lower form. This one lower form, guys. Lower form plus form 5 chapter 5 lah. Okay, form 5 chapter 5 is combined transformation. Okay, macam ni. Alright. Okay, so they ask you guys, state the corresponding side of QR. Nyatakan sisi sepadan bagi QR. Okay, so TUVW. This one is image. This one is object. Okay, soalan bagi tahu. Alright. Okay, so QR. Okay, so QR is over here. So mana yang sama, guys? QR untuk image kat mana? What is the same side over here? Yes. Okay, the answer is wait it should be UV, right? This one is V, guys. Yang ni V. Okay, this one is T. Sorry, not so clear. Alright. So the answer is UV or VU also can lah. Okay, dua-dua can boleh. Alright. Ultraviolet ray, yes, correct. UV. Okay, so yes, corresponding side and then corresponding angle. TWV. TWV. Okay, TWV over here. So guys, what is the corresponding angle now? Sudut yang sepadan kat sini. You guys need to imagine a bit lah over here. PSR. PSR, yes, correct. Okay, the answer is PSR or RSP also can lah. Okay, so you can write PSR or RSP. Okay, yes. PS equal to WT, yes, correct. Amin Hafi, correct. Alright. Okay, so you guys can get the answer. Okay, ini jawapan dia for part A. Okay, can guys? Boleh? So this one just tests you on imagination only. Okay, alright, now we come to the transformation part. Okay, so now they say that pentagon XWVUT, image of PQRST, HG. Okay, so HG maksudnya mana datang dulu, guys? If HG, H or G? Which one first? Yes. Okay, G first and then H. Okay, so they say G is a reflection in the line PT, pantulan. So you guys must draw the image under the transformation G. Okay, so dia nak lukis untuk G saja. Alright, so PQRST is the object. Okay, so you guys must draw here lah. Okay, PQRST and then you reflect at PT. Okay, simple only, guys. Kamu kena pantulkan kat sini saja. Okay, so you pantulkan, you guys just reflect lah. Okay, so you can see the answer here. This is what you will get. Lukis yang ni saja, pantulan. Can, guys? Quite basic, right? This one. Very straightforward reflection. Okay? Can, all of you? Boleh? I think you guys should be able to imagine, right? It's quite okay, this one. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so now the question asks you guys to describe transformation H. Okay, kamu kena huraikan transformasi H. Alright, so what is the transformation happening now, guys? May I know? P prime, Q prime, R prime, S prime, T prime. Kepada yang ni. Very obvious, guys. What is the transformation? Yeah. Okay, this one is an enlargement, pembesaran. Razik. Yang merah dan hijau. Apa transformasi dia? Pantulan Razik. Yeah. Enlargement kan? Okay. Alright, so what is the scale factor, guys? Apa nilai faktor skala kamu? Soalan ni. Okay, equal to? Answer is 3 guys. Okay, jawapan dia 3. This is the image, this is the object. Okay, so it's 3 over 1. Understand? So jawapan dia 3. Alright? Okay, and then center, guys. Kat mana pusat dia? Pusat pembesaran. Center of enlargement. Yeah. Okay, center of enlargement over here lah. T. Okay, so you just say center of enlargement T. Okay, coordinate tak ada. So kamu guna label T lah. Alright? So yeah, this is the answer. Understand? Simple kan, guys? I think it's quite straightforward, right? Not so difficult. Okay, next one. Okay, so question 3A. Okay, so now they ask you state the ratio of the area PQRST to XWVUT. Okay, dia nak nisbah luas. Okay, so luas, okay. So you guys need to find the area lah. Okay, so nisbah luas yang besar, merah kepada hijau. Okay, so guys, how to find the ratio? Any idea? Actually, you guys can use the scale factor lah. Okay, kamu boleh guna faktor skala. Okay, if you guys remember the formula, area of image equal to k square times area of object. Betul? So kamu boleh guna rumus ni lah. This one actually the paper will give you guys. So no need to memorize. Okay, yang ni tak perlu hafal. Okay. So normally how do we find the center of enlargement? Do we find, yes, correct. You guys find center of enlargement like this. You connect the same point. So V and R is the same point, you connect. W and Q is the same point, you connect. Hubungkan titik sepadan saja. U and S same point, connect. And then this one and this one same point, connect. So intersection is at T lah. Semua titik bersilang kat sini. Faham tak? So you find the intersection. Okay, boleh ya guys? Okay, so now your image is sada. Okay, dia nak cari apa? They ask PQRST. Okay, so object to image lah. Okay, dia nak object kepada image. Alright. Okay, so you guys must find object over image. So object over image equal to 1 over k square. Correct? So k nilai dia apa? 3 kan? Your k is 3. So the answer is 1 over 9. Understand? Do you all get the concept, guys? So nilai dia 1 nisbah 9. Okay, 1:9. Okay, so this is the answer. Understand? Clear, guys? Boleh dapat? So guna rumus saja. Okay, just the formula. Alright? So can? No problem? Okay, so next one. Okay, so now the question want you guys to find the area of PQRST. XWVUT 240. Okay, so they give you information tadi. So image 240, dia nak suruh cari object. So 1 over 9 times 240. Okay, sama dengan object. Sebab yang ni soalan bagi 240. Okay, so object is 1 over 9 times 240. Okay, so you guys can press calculator. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so 240 over 9. You should get 26.67 cm square. Okay, boleh ya guys? All of you? This is the answer. Okay. Wait PQRST. Wait guys. Did I do mistake? 1 plus 9. Area. Ada guys. Why they say divide 10? Oh, total. Ayo, saya baca salah. Okay, question say total. Total area of PQRST and XWVUT. Okay, so jumlah dua-dua adalah 240. Okay, now I understand. Okay, so they say the total is 240. So yeah, that means you guys must divide 10 lah because the ratio, okay, the ratio is 1 to 9. Okay, the ratio of the object to image is 1 to 9. Okay, object 1 nisbah, image 9. So total ratio, jumlah nisbah dia 10 kan? So if you guys want to find object only, so object is 1 over 10. 1 per 10 times 240 total. Okay, so your answer is 24. Understand guys? Cara dapat 24? It's just ratio only. Okay, concept nisbah. How to find center of rotation? You forget already. Center of rotation, I already teach lah, Razik. You check back my recording, Form 5, Chapter 5. I already finished that chapter, right? I did tell you guys how to find center already. Cuba lihat recording balik. Alright? Because I got no example to show over here. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Yes, ratio the question given. Okay, the question told is 1 to 9. Sorry. The question asks you to find the ratio. Okay, kamu kena cari nisbah. 3A. Okay? So you're using the area to find the ratio based on this formula. Understand? Chan Wei Lun? Razik, you must watch back the recording lah. Okay? Just need to watch back recording. Senang saja. Am I right? Which part? They from 3A or 3B? May I know? Yes, correct. Image area over object area equal to k square. Yeah, correct. Okay, 3B. Okay, so 3B is because they want you guys to find the area of the PQRST. Okay, so you guys must understand this area, this and this, they are the same area, right? All of you. Faham kan? Yang hijau dan hitam sama luas kan? Same area. Because reflection saja, pantulan. When you reflect, area never change. Okay, pantulan takkan ubah luas. Okay, that's the first concept. So both of these, they have the same area. Nisbah dia sama lah, luas. Faham tak? Okay, so your ratio is the same. And then, you guys already find the answer, right? It's 1/9. Object kepada image 1/9. Okay, so means that object is the green. Green is 1. Image is 9. 9. So now kamu nak cari yang satu ni. Luas dia berapa? What is the area? So, you take 1, divide by total ratio. Always you must divide total. Jumlah nisbah. Kali dengan jumlah luas. 240. Do you all get the concept, guys? So it's the object divide total ratio times total area. So that's how you get 24. Understand? Dave Lam? Can so done. Clear? All of you? Okay, so next one. Question 12. Okay, so question 12 is about Form 4 Chapter 8, Ungroup Data. Okay, data tak terkumpul. Okay, so they want you guys to draw box plot kotak. Okay, so plot kotak, you guys need 5 information. Am I right? So you need to find minimum, maximum, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, so anyone, what is the minimum? Can you tell me over here? Nilai minimum. Very simple lah. They arrange also some more for you. Yeah, 36 lah. Okay, 36 minimum, maximum. Yeah, maximum 82. Okay, now Q2. Can anyone tell me Q2 nilai dia berapa? Q2 maksudnya median lah. Okay. 67. Okay, let me check. Okay, so Q2 you guys just potong kiri dan kanan. Okay, so you just cut. So you will get the answer, yeah. Okay, the answer is 67. 67. Okay, you can use this method also, guys. You just cut the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, potong kiri dan kanan, jumlah yang sama. Okay, so this is the middle. Okay, and then Q1, apa nilai dia? Yes, already in tertib menaik. The question arranged for you already. Yes. Okay, so Q1, you guys again can cut left and right. Potong saja. So, yeah. Okay, this one is the Q1, 48. Okay, and then Q3, guys. Okay, yes. So again, you just cut left and right. Okay, potong kiri dan kanan. So you will get 75. Okay. Plus all, divide the value of digit also can. Plus all. This one you're finding, Q2. No, cannot. This one you are finding mean. Am I right, Abdullah? This formula is for mean. Guys, mean and median are not the same thing. Take note. Okay, mean dan median benda berbeza. Okay, mean is average. Median is the middle. Average and middle are not the same. Okay, nilai purata dan nilai kat tengah-tengah dia tak sama. Walaupun dia nampak sama. Okay, tapi dia tak sama. Alright? So it's totally different. Okay, so now question ask you to count mean. So sekarang kamu boleh gunalah konsep kamu, Abdullah. Okay, kamu tambah semua bahagi 15. Itu saja. Okay, so you can press calculator. Okay, so this is the box plot, guys. You can see. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, 63.07. Yeah. Okay, so this is the box plot, and then this one is the mean. Okay, mean is 63.07. All right. Can't see number. Which one? Oh, my number is 8 on top. Sorry. I already conteng. Okay, so you just plus berapa titik berpuluhan? 2 is enough. Usually 2 is enough. Okay, 2 cukup. Or if you confuse, you just write fraction. Okay, fraction is always the most accurate. Okay, pecahan yang paling tepat. Okay, so kalau boleh tukar pecahan, kamu tukar lah guys. Okay, understand? All of you. And make sure your box plot guys, you must put dots Kamu kena letak titik. Semua ni kena ada titik. This one is box plot. Dave Lam, we call it as box plot, not dot plot. It's different. Okay, why can't you put the number which has no dot? Why can't you put the number which has no dot? I don't understand your question. Can you explain a bit more? Oh, for dot plot. Okay, your question is dot plot. Why can't you put the number which has no dot? Because usually if there is no data over there is no point plotting it. Am I right? Because your frequency is 0. So why do you include the value there? No point, right? You cannot count anything. So that's the reason. Okay. All right. So if give more than 2, which one? Ruben Manurung. More than 2 for which one? The box plot, is it? If the question is the genap digit macam mana sir for midpoint? Genap digit for midpoint. Midpoint yang mana? You mean median Median. Q2, okay. Genap digit. Genap digit means that okay, I understand. Means that, okay, you just take the center. Okay, let's say you got 2 values for median guys. Example, let's say your median ada 2 nilai, 35 and also 37. So what is the exact answer? 35 plus 37 over 2 lah guys. Median dia kat sini, tengah-tengah. So 36. Understand? Let's say median tu ada 2 nilai macam ni. Faham tak? Okay, so the final answer is 36. You ambil kat tengah-tengah. Okay? Can Abdullah? I hope it answer. Yang tadi. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, so titik perpuluhan. Yes, 2 is enough actually. Okay, 2 sudah cukup. Alright. Okay, so next one guys. Okay, so now the question asks you, state the distribution shape of the data. Bentuk tabuhan. Okay, so what is the bentuk here guys? May I know? How do you describe the distribution? Yes. Okay, pencong ke kiri, or you guys say left skewed, or you guys say negatively skewed also can. Okay, this one also I think should be correct. If you guys write negatively skewed, also means the same thing. Okay, pencong negative. Alright, pencong negatif maksudnya kiri lah. Okay, so masih boleh kiri atau negatif. Alright, because you can see here the area is larger. Okay, luas lebih besar. Alright, so yeah, the answer is left skewed. Okay, alright, continue guys. Pergi lagi. Okay, so next one. So now the question say, what if it's in the middle? Middle means you mean same area, is it? Same on the left and right. Yes. If same means you say uniform. Correct. But you must be really sure. Okay, because sometimes it can look like the same, but you need to count and see the number of box left and right. You must compare and see if exactly the same, then only you can say uniform. If you have 1 box extra on the left and 1 box less on the right, although 1 box, small box, still counted as skewed to the left. Understand? So you need to count very carefully. Okay, the line, yes, correct. This line also you guys must see. Kamu kena nampak panjang garis ni. Okay, so this one left is longer than right, so that's why left skewed. Okay, can guys? So if the area is the same, right? Kalau luas dia sama, tapi kalau tiba-tiba garis ni lebih panjang berbanding yang ni, maksudnya pencong ke kiri juga. Faham tak? Okay, although same area, example, but if this one longer, means left skewed. Okay, what is that line in the box? Median, yeah, is median. Okay, this one is Q1, this one is Q2, this one is Q3. Understand? Yes, correct. Okay, boleh guys? Continue Okay, so next one. Okay, so the question say that they are subtracting the marks by 2. Okay, kamu tolak semua markah dengan 2. Okay, so they say new modes and new range will be the same. Is it correct or not? Adakah mode baru dan Julat baru masih sama? Yes or no? What do you guys think? So you guys can compare and see lah. Okay, it means that 36 become 34, 40 become 38, just minus 2, 45 become 43. So you can list down actually. Okay, so like this lah, and then you guys continue. Okay, so okay, range. Okay, we talk about range first guys. Julat asal dan baru sama atau tak sama? Is it same or not the same? Julat means 36 and 82, right? No. Same lah guys. Dia akan sama. It'll be the same. Because 36 minus 2 is 34. 82 minus 2 is 80. 80 minus 34 berapa guys? 46 kan julat baru. Okay, your new range 46. Asal 82 minus 36 also 46. Dua-dua sama. So range is not affected. Julat takkan dipengaruhi kalau tambah tolak. Ingat. You guys can test and see lah. Kalau kamu tak boleh hafal, kamu test macam ni. Boleh juga. Okay? So the answer is same. But mode. Okay, mode is what guys? Mean also not affected. Plus minus mean is not affected. Remember. Median also median will be affected because the values will change already. Okay. Usually for plus minus is the wait. Let me think and see. Plus minus got one thing. I think it's the variance, if not mistaken. Variance and standard deviation. Plus minus dia akan ubah. IQR dia akan ubah kot. I think so. IQR should change, I think. Q3 minus Q1. So yeah, Q3, Q1. I think IQR same lah, Razik. I think IQR also never change. Tak ubah. Kalau tambah tolak. Okay, shouldn't change one. I think so lah. Okay, you can check back the textbook, guys. Okay, variance is not affected by multiplication. Affected. Multiplication will affected one. Okay. If variance affected, automatically standard deviation affected. Am I right? Because it's just square root. So if variance change, standard deviation also change. Sebab dia berhubung kait. Okay. Alright. So guys, about the mode will change or not? May I know? Your new data and old data mode. So mode you guys must check lah. Asal your mode is 63. Am I right? Okay, this is the mode 63 and 75. Okay, 63 and 75 is the mode. So, which part confused? David Tang. Which part you suddenly confused? Can you tell? You guys must tell which part. Okay, so for the mode, right? You guys can check and see also. You just need to minus 2 everything. Okay, so you minus 2 everything, the mode will actually change. 63 will become 61. 75 will become 73 because you minus 2. Am I right? Tolak 2. So mode yang baru 61 dan 73. Faham tak? Asal 63 and 75. Okay? So means that mode is changing, range is same. Do you all get the concept? So the answer is the new mode is 61 and 73. Okay, mode baru dua-dua yang ni. So pernyataan dia salah lah. Okay, sebab dia kata dua-dua sama. Alright. So the mode is different, range is the same. Okay, julat sama, mode berbeza. Alright. Can guys? Do you all understand? So you guys just need to tell this one. What is the new mode? Okay. Boleh ya? Okay. Clear guys? All of you? Okay. Continue. Next one. Okay, so this one is about sets guys. Form 4 chapter 4. Okay, so the question is they want you guys to list senaraikan using set notation. Tanda set. Azmil favorite activity only. Only means that this one lah. Am I right? Kalau sahaja kawasan yang ni. Correct? Okay, so you guys just list down fishing and cooking. Okay? Memancing, memasak. That is the answer. 1A. Okay? And then they ask you Kenny's favorite activity but not Bing's. Okay, activity kegemaran Kenny tetapi bukan kegemaran Bing. Okay, so Kenny but not Bing. So means that this one and this one. Agree? Cycling and swimming. Okay, sebab Bing tak boleh masuk. Alright? So berbasikal dan berenang saja. Alright? So this is the answer. Okay, very straightforward. Okay, so you guys can see the answer here. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is for 1A and 1B. Okay, can guys, so far? Boleh? Okay, continue. Next one. Okay, so next one is part B. Okay, so they want you guys to shade C intercept B prime. Okay, so can anyone tell me C intercept B prime? Which part you guys shade? Just tell me the number. Bagi nombor saja. Okay, sama-sama. Lagi orang? Okay, so wait, let me check. C intercept B prime. So the answer should be 2 and 3. 2 dan 3. Okay, C intercept B prime. Okay, so the answer is this one and this one. Okay, guys? Boleh? Because C is 2, 3, 4. And then B prime is 4 prime. So you guys can solve actually. 2, 3, 4, intercept 1, 2, 3. So ambil yang sama. 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3 is the answer. Okay. If union 1 is included, right? Union, yes. Union is included. Okay. Can guys? Boleh. So this is the answer. Okay. This one for part 2. Alright. Continue. Okay, so now they ask you guys. There are total is 24 students. Okay, jumlah bilangan murid 24. There are 10 students who take part in at least 2 activities. Okay, 10 orang menyertai sekurang-kurangnya 2 aktiviti. Calculate the X and Y. Okay, so you guys need to find 2 values here, X and Y. So, how to find guys? You got 2 unknown. So, 2 unknown biasanya kamu kena buat apa? This one you must use a concept tadi. You want to find X, you want to find Y. So, buat apa? Any idea? You need to form, equation lah. Okay, kamu kena bentukkan 2 persamaan dan serentak. Okay, just use simultaneous concept. Okay, so the total number of student is 24, right? Okay, so total means you plus everything. Tambah semua, 2X plus Y, 5174. So total is 17. Okay, equal to 24. So this is the first equation, total. 2x plus y equals 7. Y equals 7 minus 2x. Okay, ini persamaan pertama. Okay, cannot use matrix. This one soalan tak kata matrix. Okay, so jangan guna matrix. Alright. Okay, so 10 student, at least 2 activities. Okay, so at least 2 activities maksudnya apa? Kamu kena carilah. Okay, so maksudnya fishing, cooking, fishing, hiking, or cooking, hiking. At least 2. Okay, so at least 2 means that 2 or 3 lah guys. Okay, 2 atau 3. Okay, so maksudnya yang mana? 2x and then sorry. Wait. 2x. Okay, 1 adalah yang ketiga-tiga lah. Okay, 1 is all the 3 activities. And then 2x. 2x is 2 activities. 5 cannot. Wait. 5 boleh tak? C is a subset. 5 also can. 5 also 2 activities. Okay? So 2x plus 1 plus 5. Total is 10. So this is the second equation lah guys. Boleh dapat? Do you all get this equation? Total is 10. Okay, so 2x equal to 4. X equal to 2. Okay? Yes. Correct. Betul. Okay, so X equal to, you guys substitute kat sini lah. Okay, so your Y value is equal to 3. Okay? Understand? All of you? Semua faham soalan ni? So you guys just need to understand the concept lah. Then boleh selesaikan. Okay? So X is 2 and Y is 3. Alright? Dapat dah? Semua? All okay? Continue. Okay, next one. Okay, so now the question say represent the shaded region by using the symbol. Okay, kamu kena mewakili guys kawasan berlorek ni. So siapa tahu apa jawapan dia? Can you guys type? What does the shaded region represent? This one you guys must construct your set operation. So this one slightly harder lah guys. Sedikit susah. Sebab kamu kena bina. So you guys must try and see how to form it. So anyone? What's the answer? Siapa ada jawapan? This is your region guys. F silang C union H prime. Okay, let me check. F silang C union H prime. Okay, so C union H prime. C union H prime. So F. F silang. Yeah, I think this is the answer. Correct. Okay, this is the answer guys. Aisyah salah. Cannot. Aisyah, jawapan kamu maksudnya semua atau F union C union H maksudnya semua. Faham tak? Semua ni. Okay. So this is the answer guys. You can check and see. Okay, C union H prime maksudnya semua kat C, semua kat H pelengkap. So yang ni lah. Am I right? C union H prime. And then okay, union H prime. So maksudnya yang ni juga termasuk lah. Okay, all of this C union H prime. And then intercept F. Kalau silang F, maksudnya jawapan dia yang ni sajalah. Okay, if you intercept with F. Alright. Is it possible to have more than one answer? In this case, I don't think so. Only one answer, I think. Okay, for this kind of question, I think one answer. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer. Understand, guys? Boleh dapat? You guys can write like this also can. No problem. Let's say kamu tulis macam ni. C union H prime intercept F. This one also can. Boleh. Okay, you guys need to imagine. Kena bayangkan. Okay. Confused over the symbol. Okay, let's say I tell you guys this answer. Do you guys understand why the shaded region is like this? Based on what I explained. If I tell you this is the answer, you understand why must shade that one, right? Semua faham kan? Kalau saya bagi tahu ini jawapan dia, kamu tahu kena lorek yang tu kan? Okay, so now just reverse process, reverse thinking. You guys need to do reverse thinking. Alright, now I give you the shaded region. Saya bagi tahu yang ni, kamu kena bagi tahu saya yang ni. Reverse. Okay? So you guys can try and error. Okay, buat sikit dan try. Okay, you try and error and then kamu boleh dapat jawapan akhirnya. Okay, just need to try and error. Alright? Can guys? Boleh? So it's F intercept C union H prime. Okay? Continue guys. Pergi lagi ya. Next one. Okay, so question 14. Okay, so question 14 is your linear inequalities, guys. This one simple lah, guys. Ketaksaman linear graph. Okay, so the question is, you guys need to write two inequalities. Okay, tuliskan dua ketaksaman. Okay, X is the premium handbag, bag tangan premium. Y is the exclusive. Wah, premium and exclusive. This one I must ask the girls only. To all the girls here, can you please tell me what is the difference between premium bag and exclusive bag? Anyone know? Can you guys explain to me, to all the girls? Premium handbag and exclusive handbag. I thought premium and exclusive, they are the same thing, right? What is the difference? Premium is exclusive lah, because only certain people can have it, right? What? I didn't know there's such thing called as premium handbag and exclusive handbag. Wow. Oh, exclusive handbag can fly. Oh, I didn't know this. Wow. Okay. Premium macam mewah, eksklusif macam limited. Kalau mewah bukan ke dia limited kan? Kalau mewah pasti limited lah. Am I right? Wah, so weird this question. Am I right? Kalau mewah maksudnya kuantiti dia sikit lah dalam pasaran. Am I right? You and your Bugatti keep on every time tell Bugatti only. Okay, Aziz, kamu jawab lah. So kamu tanya kan? Okay. So guys, anyone can tell me the two inequalities? Cuba bagi tahu saya. First one, maximum number 42. Bilangan maximum. Okay, premium handbag. Okay, yes. So X less than or equal to 42, betul. And then exclusive 2 times premium. Okay, so exclusive X at most. Wait. Exclusive Y, right? Sorry. Y at most. Okay, 2X. Correct lah. Betul. Understand guys? So at most, selebih-lebihnya simbol dia lebih kurang atau sama dengan. Okay, this is the symbol for at most. Alright? Less than or equal to. Okay? Can guys? Boleh? So this is the answer for this question. Okay? Simple, right? Boleh dapat kan? This one you guys must score full mark lah. Okay, and then you guys just need to draw the graph. Write in O. Before that, you must write in words the inequality that represent the tangent. Oh, okay, this one is something new. You guys need to write in words. Kena tulis dalam perkataan ketaksamaan yang mewakili sasaran. Okay, so shaded region. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is the line, guys. Okay, so this line is actually 45. So guys, this one is Y greater than 45. Correct? Y lebih besar daripada 45. So how to describe this in words? Anyone? Macam mana huraikan dalam perkataan? Y is the exclusive bag, right? Okay, bag tangan eksklusif. So bag tangan eksklusif bilangan dia lebih daripada 45 lah. Jangan kata Y ya. Kamu kena bagi tahu Y itu apa. Okay, Y is the exclusive bag. Exclusive handbag more than 45. Or you can say that one is the best lah. Okay, more than 45. Yeah. May I ask why this type of question always say, oh, because they don't want you guys to give the simple answer. Am I right? David Tang. X less than or equal to 0 or Y, sorry, greater than or equal to 0 and Y greater than equals 0 is common sense. Correct? When you guys talk about number of handbag, it must be positive. Am I right? Logic. So, pemeriksa tak mau kamu bagi tahu dua-dua ni lah because semua orang tahu kan kena positif kan nilai dia. This one, any person also should know this. So, they don't want you guys to give this as your answer. Tak boleh. Okay, because it's too easy. Am I right? So this one cannot. All right. Exclusive handbag, yes, correct. Exceed, I won't recommend to use because exceed can include 45 also. Understand? Saya Mitran. Exceed is greater than or equal to. So there is a bit of difference here. Okay. In terms of the sign. Okay, so just use more than to be safe. Yeah. Lebih daripada. All right. So yeah, you can see the answer here. This is the answer. More than or greater than also can. Same meaning. Okay, lebih besar daripada. Alright. Sorry. The graph here is 46, guys, because not so clear. If you guys see the paper in the exam, you will see the value is 46. Okay, this one is 46. 46. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so now you guys need to draw the graph. Okay, part B2, you need to draw the graph. Okay, but you see over here, guys, no scale, right? Soalan tak bagi tahu apa-apa skala. Number 2. So how? You guys must see lah. Actually, the question already draw for you everything. Can you see? Soalan dah lukis semua skala. So, very simple lah for you. Direct, draw the graph. Okay, lukis saja. Alright? So, based on your answer, you guys draw the graph. Yeah, actually very kind. Very, very kind. So, this one, you just need to draw these two guys. X equal 42. So, this one is a straight line. X equal 42, macam ni. Okay, this one. And then Y equal to 2X. You guys just plot lah. Okay, 0, 0, 1 coordinate. And any coordinate yang kamu suka. Okay, you can plot 30 and 60. Okay, 30, 60. Then you guys can draw the straight line. Okay, Y equal to 2X. Okay, and then you must shade the region. X less than equal 42. Y less than equal to X. So, kawasan dia kat sini lah. Alright. And it also must be greater than 46. Okay. Are you all clear with this? Jelas? So this one just need to shade. Alright. Alright. Basic stuff lah, guys. Okay. So next one. Okay. So now how to get straight line Y equal to X? You can use any coordinate. Saya Mitran. 0, 0 is one coordinate because when X is 0, Y is 0. And then second, you can choose any value. 10, 20, 30, anything. Just choose one more value enough. You substitute x equal any of these values, then you get the y. Then you plot. Okay? Because you just need two coordinates to draw straight line, guys. Remember. Okay, apa-apa garis lurus yang nak lukis dalam bab ni, 2 titik cukup. Tak perlu cari lebih. Okay, 2 is enough one. Alright? Okay, so next one. Okay, so now the question asks, what is the maximum number of exclusive handbag? Okay, so exclusive handbag is y, right? So maximum value of y. Okay, dia nak cari y maximum. Okay, so based on the graph, guys, what is the maximum? Maximum is here lah. So you guys kena baca nilai ni. Okay, just read this value. You should get 83, if not mistaken, or 84. Okay, 84. Alright, you should get, or 83. Okay, you guys must see your graph carefully lah. Okay, the answer is 83. Okay, this one, the value should be the same. Okay, semua orang kena dapat jawapan sama. Okay, the answer is 83. Alright, so you just draw horizontal line only over here. Yes, betul. Okay, sebab dia nak maximum y. So maximum y yang paling tinggi lah. Okay, you just refer the highest point. But must be in the shaded region guys. The point you choose must be inside the shaded region. Max x yang ni lah. Yang paling kanan. The most to the right. So 42 lah. Garis lurus. Okay, x equal 42. Understand? Yeah. Okay, so next one. Okay, so now the question say whether the weekly production are achieved if 25 premium handbag and 60 exclusive handbag are sold. Okay, so what is the weekly target? Weekly target, this one lah. Okay, semua ni adalah target. Alright, so they say 25 premium, so 25x and 60y. Okay, 25x plus 60y. Wait, okay. So, you guys need to see the graph. Okay, so x is 25, y equal to 60. Okay, so 25, maksudnya kat sini kan? Okay, 25 is somewhere over here. Wait, where is it? You guys must base on the shaded region. Okay, kamu kena lihat kawasan berlorek. So 25, 60, where is the coordinate? Okay, the coordinate is somewhere over here. This one, correct? Okay, this one is 25, 60. Am I right? This one. So guys, if it's outside the shaded region, kalau titik ni di luar kawasan berlorek, maksudnya dia tak memuaskan. Boleh faham tak? Because it's outside of the shaded region, so it never satisfy your target. So kalau di luar, tak patuhi. Kalau dalam, patuhi. Itu saja. Okay, so that's why it's no, because it's outside of the shaded region. Yes, the shaded region represents the target of the production. Understand? Whenever you guys have a shaded region, right, means that it satisfy all the condition. Kawasan berlorek tu dia patuhi semua keadaan. So kalau titik tu di luar kawasan berlorek tu, maksudnya tak patuhi lah. Itu konsep. Alright? Okay, so next one. Question 15. Last one for section B. Taxation, guys. Wah, no matrix guys. Surprisingly. Kertas 2 tak ada soalan matrix sampai sekarang. Sudah 15 dah. Okay. So maybe they don't like matrix this year. Matrix actually famous, you know guys. Tapi tak keluar. Okay, so tax. Total tax relief. Jumlah pelepasan cukai. Okay, so where is the pelepasan cukai? Okay, they only want tax relief. So tax relief, anyone? This one is 9,000. I just write for you guys so that you can see. So apa jumlah dia? So the first one is individual donation to National Zoo, life insurance, EPF, lifestyle, self-education. So tax relief, pelepasan cukai yang mana? Kat sini. You got tax exemption and tax relief. So you need to be careful. No. Now you're not finding the chargeable income. Sai Mitwan. Now we're just finding tax relief. Understand? Jumlah pelepasan cukai. Over here, you got exemption and also relief. So you need to pick which one is the relief only. Okay? Insurance. Okay, let's try and see guys. Okay, so for relief, right, you guys must remember everything else except the education. So 9,000, 3105, 1545, and 3,000. Okay, this one. Hey, wait. except the donation. Wait, let me check. Is it 3? Except the donation, guys. Selain sumbangan. Okay, donation comes under tax exemption. Remember, apa-apa jenis sumbangan, dia adalah pengecualian cukai. Pelepasan cukai semua yang lain. Faham tak? Okay? Tax relief is everything else except donation. Donation is tax exemption. Okay? Yes, correct. Because tax exemption, you guys got zakat. Zakat is also a form of donation. Okay? So, yeah. Okay? So, zakat, fitrah, and also donation. Zakat fitrah also is included. Okay, is tax exemption. All right. But the only thing is, what's tax exemption in real life? Any donation that you make, as long as it's towards the government. Kalau kamu derma kepada apa-apa badan kerajaan yang diiktiraf, then you can get tax exemption. Okay. Any government organization, NGO, I'm not sure, but must be government, I think. Okay. This question ada lebat tak? Mungkin ada. Nanti kita lihat. Always donate your money to run away from taxes. Not to say run away from taxes, but you want to reduce the amount of tax you pay. Understand? Kamu nak kurangkan saja jumlah cukai nak bayar. Okay? Lebat only if zakat and pendapatan bercukai. Yes, correct. Okay. So the answer is this one, guys, for part A. You guys can see here 16,650 total tax relief. Okay, jumlah pelepasan cukai. Alright. Okay, and then question B come to calculation tadi. Okay, so calculation, they ask you guys to use separate tax assessment. Okay, taksiran cukai berasingan for Encik Ali. Okay, Encik Ali, 73,000. Okay, so Encik Ali, 73,000. So 73,000, wait, you guys must minus all of this. Okay, because 73,000 is the chargeable, chargeable income 73,000. Okay, so maksudnya boleh terus lihat lah. Okay, yang ni sudah pendapatan bercukai. Okay, so very straightforward. 3,700 plus 19%. Okay, so you guys just do 3,700 plus 19% times with your what? Your tax on next balance. Okay, baki cukai. Okay, so baki cukai dia 73,000 minus 70,000. Okay, so this is the tax, guys. Jumlah cukai pendapatan. Okay, so you press calculator, you will get the answer. The answer is 4270. This is for Encik Ali. Okay, understand, guys? Jelas, Okay, so this is the answer for Encik Ali. Okay, so you guys can see over here. Yeah. Okay, Encik Ali is 4270. Okay, clear, guys? Untuk Encik Ali, boleh? This one is the calculation. Okay, next one. For the wife. Okay, kamu kena cari secara berasingan. Okay, so Encik Ali's wife, the chargeable income is 5,000 less than his one. Okay, 5,000 kurang. So maksudnya 68,000 lah. Okay, 68,000. So you guys must refer here. For the wife, 1,500, 11%. Okay, so for the wife, 1,500 plus 11% times with 68,000 minus 50,000. Okay, tolak 50,000. Okay, this is the working, guys. Understand? All of you? Dapat? So then you press calculator, you will get the answer. 18,000 times 11 over 100 plus 1,500. Okay, the answer is 3,480. Okay, so yeah, this is the working step. Okay, can guys? Boleh? 3,480. Any problem? These two? Basic lah, guys. Okay, kamu kena tahu cara cari cukai pendapatan. Okay, basic calculation. Okay, alright. So now the question want you to find the total income tax using joint tax assessment. Dia nak cari guna taksiran bersama sekarang. Okay, so bersama maksudnya kamu kena tambah pendapatan dia lah. Okay, 73,000 plus 68,000. So total 73 plus 68, 141K. Okay, RM 141,000. Total sekarang yang ni. Okay, so means kamu kena rujuk sini lah. Okay, 141,000 9400 and 25%. Okay, so you take 9400 plus 25% of 141000 tolak yang ni 100,000. Okay, so this is the working step. Press calculator guys, kamu boleh tekan dan dapat jawapan. Okay, 141 minus 100, 41. So 41,000 times 25% plus 9400. Okay, the answer is 19650. Okay, dapat guys? No need. All of this is the chargeable income. Sai Mitran. Can you see? The values they tell you here are the chargeable income. Direct. Okay. See the question carefully, guys. The values they give you actually represent what? Is it the annual income or is it the chargeable income? Usually they give annual income, I know. Okay, biasanya soalan dia akan bagi pendapatan tahunan. Okay, tapi yang ni dia terus bagi pendapatan bercukai. So you must be careful over here. Okay. Alright. So yeah, this is for part 3. Sorry, part 2. This is the answer. 21,900. Is it correct? Did I get the correct answer? How come different? Wait, guys. Did I make mistake? 9400 plus 25%, 150,000. 150,000. Sada, guys. Did I make a mistake somewhere? Tax exemption, tax relief, total tax relief. Oh, okay. I think must include the individual also, guys. Over here. Okay, kamu kena masuk individu saat 19,650, 150,000. Yeah. Okay, you need to plus 9,000 over here. Okay, this one must plus 9,000. So individual also must include, guys, over here. Okay, individu nilai ni kamu kena masukkan juga kalau bersama. Okay, if you are talking about joint tax assessment, kena masuk 9,000. Okay, because this one is for Encik Ali. Okay, so Encik Ali and wife total also 9,000. Okay, can guys? Boleh So 9,000 kena masuk. Okay, plus 9,000. Then only you will get 150,000. Okay, can guys? So your answer is 21,900. Boleh? But we should only take 9,000 for both, right? No. 9,000 here is for Encik Ali. Can you guys see? This table is for Encik Ali only. Okay? Only for Encik Ali. Alright? How can we take 18,000? No. Only take 9,000. Because 9,000 for Encik Ali. The wife is 0. She never do this tax exemption and tax relief. Understand? Isteri dia tak buat yang ni. Hanya suami. Okay? So 9,000 only. Okay? 9,000 is the total for both of them. Okay? So yeah. Then you will get the answer. Okay guys? Jelas Are you all clear with this? Can? So this is the concept. Alright? So which one is better guys? Mana yang lebih bagus? Confirm is individual lah. Okay, taksiran cukai individu because the total tax you pay is lower lah. Okay, cukai pendapatan lebih rendah. Okay, you can compare and see. Okay, yang ni lebih rendah. Alright. Okay, chargeable income include 9,000 also, right? Chargeable income. You find chargeable income after minus 9,000. Am I right? Sai Mituan? You get the chargeable income is because you minus all of this value, then you get 73,000 for Encik Ali. Am I right? So if you want to find the actual actual value of the income, now you are combining their income, right? Kamu tambah dua-dua kan? Okay, kamu tambah dua-dua kalau bersama. Okay, this is joint tax assessment. So 73,000 plus 68,000, you must also plus the individual. Okay, must also plus the individual so that you get 150,000. Okay, 150,000 is the exact value. All right, that's the concept. Okay, you need to plus with the 9,000 because earlier you minus, right? You minus 9,000, all of this tolak semua equal to 73,000. So you shift over, it become plus. So 73,000 plus 9,000. But the rest no need to plus. Okay, all of this here This one, this one, this one, this one, semua tak perlu tambah. Only the individual. Okay, this is a fact. So you need to plus the individual. Okay, fact. This one is a fact. Fakta. Okay, you need to know this. All right. Cause not, yeah, correct. Okay, because now they are pair already. Understand? Because now we are doing joint tax assessment. Okay, bersama. So, yeah. Okay, understand? So, yeah, that's the concept. All right. Okay, so, yeah, next one. Okay, so now section C, guys. So, section C, you guys just choose one question enough. Actually, both of these questions are 100% the same. Just they change the format. Okay, so you guys want 16 or 17? 16 atau 17? Which one? I follow you guys. Wait, I show you guys slowly. Hold on. Okay, so 16 is variation, and then matrix or matrix come already, and then bar chart, carta palang, and then ROI. Okay, this is 16, and then 17 is variation, matrix, bar chart. Actually same format, guys, and then ROI. Dua-dua pun sama. So which one you guys want? 17 cause picture clearer. Okay, so 17. I follow majority, guys, because it's the same. I will only discuss one lah sebab concept sama both of these question. So majority, both also got matrix. I think 17 better lah. 17 guys. 17 Okay. So for question 17. Okay, so the question say that got 600 gram of flour, 400 butter, 240 mini tarts. Okay, so ini semua info. So they say that N varies directly as T and M. Okay, so N berkadar terus dengan T dan M. So macam ni lah. So N equal to KTM. Okay, kereta api tanah Melayu. Okay, so express N in term of T and M. Okay, so ungkapkan N dalam sebutan T dan M. So very simple, guys. Just substitute all the info, ganti semua, cari nilai K. Okay, so N is the mini tart, 240 equal to K. T is mass of flour, 600, and M mass of butter, mentega, 400. So you guys boleh kira lah. Okay, K equal to 240 over 600 times 400. Okay, so you guys will get 1 over 1000. Okay, 1 over 1000. So this is the answer lah, guys. N equal to 1 over 1000 TM. Alright, N in term of T and M. Dapat? All of you? Can you get it? So this is the answer. So you can see the working step. This is the answer. Okay, any problem, guys? This one? Semua dapat? Boleh ya? Okay, so next one, part B. Okay, so for part B, matrix. Razik, your favorite. Okay, matrix. 90 piece of cheese bun, 30 piece of kaya bun. What? Jawab, I think. Guys, one thing I want to tell you guys, don't ask me any BM question, okay? I scared I give you all the wrong answer. Okay, I just scared of that. Jangan tanya soalan BM kat saya. Kenapa? Sebab saya sudah tak nampak BM untuk 3 tahun. Okay? I never see BM for 3 years already. So, karat a bit. Okay? You guys must understand. After this, all English only, guys. After this, all bahasa Inggeris sudah. So, BM not in touch long time already. Everything learn nowadays is English. Am I right? Semua pun BI. University, masters, continue sampai bila-bila, all also BI. Depending lah kat mana. So, yeah. Mostly is English. Okay, so now you guys need to form the equation. But it's the minority. Majority is English. So you talk with your friend, you also talk in English. Am I right? So that's why BM tak guna banyak dah. Okay, so now the question asks you to find the price for 1 cheese bun and 1 kaya bun. Okay, so 1 bun keju, 1 bun kaya. Alright, so you guys can make assumption. X is cheese, Y is kaya. Just buat anggapan saja. Alright. So 276 from school, 89 from kindergarten. Okay, so dia sudah bagi tahu lah bayaran. Okay, so 90x plus 30y equal to 276. Okay, this one is for the school, sekolah. And then kindergarten, 15x plus 25y equal to 89. Okay, boleh ya guys? Now you focus on maths. Okay. Usually public university still got BM, but private no. Private means like example. What example should I give? Okay, Sunway, Monash, all of that. English. Okay, mainly English. Okay, so that's why I don't use BM. All right. Okay, so 90x plus 30y 276, 15x plus 25y 89. Okay, so matrix guys, kamu semua boleh buat kan? All can use, right? Matrix. Okay, very straightforward. 90, 15, 30, 25. You just convert to matrix form. XY 276, 89. Okay, and then inverse matrix. Okay, so kalau kamu boleh dapat yang ni, should be correct lah. Okay, your other steps all very simple. Okay, so XY equal to 1 over. Okay, you must find the determinant. Kame, where got kame? Why? This one is maths, no integration lah, guys. Oh my god. Why suddenly kame one come? Okay, so this one is 1800. Okay, I do AD minus BC, guys. Okay, and then 25, 90, negative 30, and negative 15. Okay, negative 15. Okay, like this. And then you guys just need to times this one. Okay, kali saja. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so I show you guys direct. This is the final answer. Okay, can guys? Boleh? So it's very straightforward. Okay, so x equal 2.35, y equal 2.15. All okay? All can? This question? Boleh ya? Okay, next one. Second last. Question C. Okay, so question C, guys, you must be thankful, guys, for one thing. The integration you guys study now, right, in AdMaths, right, is considered very simple, you know. Actually, it's considered very simple for higher level. Okay, dia sangat senang sebenarnya. Okay, actually simple one. So you guys must be grateful. Okay, because it can be more complex than what you guys see in the exam. Okay, all right. So now, guys, this question, they say that the number of lemon cakes sold on Monday is half on Wednesday. Okay, Isnin separuh daripada Rabu. Okay, so you guys need to analyze the bar chart. Okay, kamu kena lihat yang ni. Okay, lemon and also chocolate. Okay, so they say lemon on Monday is half of Wednesday. Okay, so you guys don't know yet lah. Tak tahu. Okay, you need to read some more. And then they say total number of lemon cakes sold on Monday and Wednesday is 1 over 4. Total number of chocolate cake sold on for the 5 days. Okay, so you need to use simultaneous. Okay, you need to solve using that. Understand? 1 over AD minus BC, you must use this one. Okay, you can see here. There. This one is AD minus BC. Putri Kaisara. You must use the formula 1 over AD minus BC DA negative B negative C. Okay? Boleh ya? This one is the formula. All of this. Okay? Clear? Okay, so next one. Okay, so part C, guys. This one you guys need to use simultaneous. Okay, persamaan serentak because they give you two information. Okay, lemon cake on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so you guys can make assumption Monday is X, the lemon, and Wednesday is Y. Untuk lebih senang lah, just use X and Y. Okay, because we don't know the values over here yet. Okay, so X is half Y. Okay, sebab Isnin setengah daripada Rabu. So X equal to half Y. And they say total for Monday and Wednesday jumlah is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 total number of cakes for 5 days. 1/4 jumlah cake untuk 5 hari. Okay, so jumlah cake apa? Jumlah cake chocolate. Okay, chocolate. So chocolate is this one. So you guys just plus lah. 8 plus 9 plus with 14 plus 17 plus 12. So total is mental calculation. You should get 59. Okay, so total 59. Okay, so 1 over 4 of 59. Okay, understand guys? Boleh dapat? So this is my two equation over here. Wait. Did I count wrongly? 17, 31, 48. Sorry, 60. This one is 60. 60. Now only makes sense. Okay, can guys? So this one is 60. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 15. So you guys can do simultaneous, right? Okay, persamaan serentak saja. So x is half y. So half y plus y equal to 15. So y equal to, press calculator, 15 over 3 over 2. Y is 10. Okay, so x is equal to half y. So x is 1 over 2 times 10. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah 5 for x. Okay, so x is half times 10. Okay, so the answer is 5. Understand? Boleh dapat guys? So x is Monday. So Monday is 5. Wednesday is 10. So you guys can draw here lah. Okay, this one is 5. And then Rabu is 10. Okay, this one is for the cake cake lemon. Okay, this one lemon cake. Okay, so you guys can draw this one. Sorry. This one. Okay, so you guys just need to draw dots. Dot, all of this. Okay, understand guys so far? Do you all get the concept? Semua dapat sampai sekarang? Still okay, right? Okay, so now the question is, you guys must find that the sale of lemon cake is made more profit than chocolate cake. Okay, so now profit, dia tanya keuntungan. So guys, how you find profit? Profit is selling price minus cost, right? So over here, the profit is how much? 26, right? 50 minus 24, 26. Over here, 52.5 minus 30, 22.5. Okay, this is for one cake, guys. Satu cake nilai dia. So over here, you guys must check. Lemon cake total berapa? 5 plus 10, 15, 23, 35, 48. Okay, so total 48. So 26 times 48. This is the profit for lemon. Keuntungan dia. Okay, so you guys can count 1, 2, 4, 8. This is for lemon. Okay, and then chocolate. Chocolate total tadi 60 kan? Okay, we found 60. So 22.5 times 60. Okay, sekarang kita nak bandingkan keuntungan dua-dua kek. Okay, so 22.5 times 60 is 1350. Okay, so chocolate is greater than lemon. Okay, pernyataan kata apa? Lemon is more than chocolate. Salah. Am I right? Because chocolate is more than lemon. So ini cara kamu buktikan lah guys. Okay, so you guys just need to show the calculation like this. Okay, so the answer is incorrect. Salah, because chocolate cake has higher profit than lemon cake. Okay, chocolate tu lebih keuntungan. Simple kan guys? All of this is basic logic. Okay, kamu guna aplikasi harian lah. Baca dah buktikan. Bukan. Baca tak buktikan apa-apa. Baca dia tunjuk bilangan saja. Faham tak? Sekarang soalan nak bandingkan keuntungan. Bilangan dan keuntungan benda berbeza. So baca dia tak bagi apa-apa info. Okay? This one just show you your number. But question one profit. Okay? Alright. Oh, you like lemon cake also. Both also tasty. For me, chocolate lah guys. Okay? Chocolate is my favorite. Okay. Last question for today. Soalan terakhir. Okay, this one is about bank, business, loan. Okay, so they ask you guys, monthly income, 6,500, 12% to pay monthly repayment. Okay, so kamu kena carilah berapa nilai yang dia peruntukkan. So 12% times 6,500. So the answer is 65 times 12. 780. 780 is for monthly payment. Okay, setiap bulan 780. So guys, which bank should we choose? Dia kena pilih yang mana. So you guys need to count and see lah. Okay, this one is the T, this one is the R, this one is the P. Okay, loan is P. So 780. Okay, so the formula is what guys? Apa rumus dia? Masih ingat tak? Do you all remember what is the formula? I equal PLT. Wait, guys. Let me try and see. Are they using that formula? Okay. The formula that you guys must use is actually P plus PLT. Do you all know that? A equal to P plus PLT. Masih ingat tak? I think you guys should know this, right? P plus PLT. This is for total repayment. Okay, because question is talking about repayment. Jumlah bayaran balik guys. Rumus dia macam ni. Okay, P plus PLT. Form 3. Okay, P plus PLT. Yes. They will ask in SPM guys. So you need to know how to do. Okay, so you just show the working guys. P is 25,000. R is 4.6%. T is 5. Okay, but now you must compare with this value. Okay, kamu kena bandingkan dengan yang ni. Yes, for monthly installment, you guys must divide the number of months. Kamu bagi bilangan bulan. Okay, so bilangan bulan berapa? 5 tahun. So 5 times 12. Am I right? Nilai matang is for compound interest. Faedah compound. MV. Nilai selepas di compound. Itu MV. Alright? Can guys? Okay, so this one you guys must use the formula P plus PLT over T. T times 12. Okay, because you need to convert to months. Okay, sekarang kita bandingkan bulanan. Yang ni tahunan. Okay, the top part is for years. So you need to bahagi the months. Now we want to find for 1 month. Okay, 1 bulan. Sebab kita nak bandingkan dengan nilai ni. Cukup atau tidak. Okay, 780. Okay, so you guys can count like this. Just count for the 2 banks. Okay, kamu kira untuk dua-dua guna rumus. So this one is 51250 and 794.44. So of course, mana yang dia pilih guys? Which one will they choose? V or W? Sekarang dia ada 780. So confirm V wait, let me check. Yeah. Okay, bank V. Because she can pay back lah. Okay, dia boleh bayar balik jumlah yang ni. Okay, because 780 is greater than 512.5. Okay, so yeah. Understand guys? Boleh dapat? Are you clear? So yeah, this is SPM 2024. Simple or not guys? Senang tak soalan ni? Seluruh kertas rasa senang tak? I think it's okay, right? At least you guys should be able to score 70 and above. 70 ke atas boleh kan? 70 and above over 100. This one is the minimum. Should get 70 over 100. At least simpler than my school exam. Usually, right, guys, SPM is simpler one. SPM is simpler, don't worry, because SPM, they need to check the school in the pedalaman. You all understand? Dia kena ambil kira budak-budak yang duduk SPM pedalaman. Faham tak? So that's why the difficulty level will decrease. Okay, dia akan lebih senang. Okay, but if it's lebih senang, then markah untuk A lebih tinggi lah. You guys should know that. Okay, if the paper is simple, your A and A plus mark is higher. Okay. Do you have baseline for Maths SPM? No, I don't have. But it's around, I think 70 mark. 70 mark can get A, I think, if not mistaken. 70 mark A solid. So A plus maybe 80 and above lah. 80 ke atas. Or Admaths Admaths very low one. Hard to say, but I'm not really sure. Definitely lower than Maths. Okay. Admaths always grade will turun one guys. Jangan risau. Admaths always turun one. But mathematics depends. Okay. Admaths curve graph please. Why curve graph? Curve graph or what? Oh, grade graph. Oh, okay. Guys, so you guys must hope for the paper to be harder. Am I right? Kamu kena harap kertas tu lebih susah lah supaya grade turun. Am I right? When the paper is hard, then only the marks will go down. Never lulus Admaths. You try to join my class. Surely can lulus one. Trust me. Got a lot of people I changed from fail to become at least B plus or C for Admaths in SPM. Wish me luck for trial. Yes, good luck. My target for math is B, but okay. Anyone here first time join or not? My class. May I know? Siapa kat sini pertama kali join? Can you comment? Who here first time? Iman Idina, don't comment. Okay. So for those first time join, if you're interested to join the future class, you can PM this number. Okay, I'll add you to my WhatsApp group. Okay, so that you can get the link and also material lah. Okay, boleh dapat bahan daripada saya. Alright. Just PM this number for those first time and not in my group. Okay, maths can get A if trial low mark. Why not? Guys, do you know that a lot of people in maths can go from fail to A? Fail in trial, A in SPM. How? Macam mana? Ada orang macam tu? Got? So it's not impossible one. Fail to A also have. I have seen before. Saya pernah nampak. I have seen with my own eyes. A plus, I never see before. But until solid A, I got C lah. Fail to A. Solid. A plus, the mark is a bit higher. That's why a lot of people cannot get. A senang nak dapat. Tapi A plus nak dapat susah sikit. Sebab markah dia sedikit tinggi. Even for maths, maths, A can get easily, but A plus is very hard. A plus, you need to be very good in all the topic kalau nak A plus. Semua topik kena cover dengan bagus. Because A plus not easy. Especially for maths, tak senang. A plus. A senang. Based on the trend lah. A senang tapi A plus susah. Okay, mathematics A plus masih senang. Boleh dapat. Not impossible. Okay, so yeah. You guys just need to work hard lah. Okay, they make a very great progression. Yes, correct. A plus, sir, A plus. Saya dapat apa? You can share lah. There got people tell already. Sorry, Mituan. I already said for SPM, so yeah. Does anyone here have any good tip for sejarah other than read book? You guys can share to Razik. I'm not sure. Okay, for those that don't have question, you can leave already, guys. Thank you very much for joining the class. Hopefully it helped you guys. Harap membantu perbincangan hari ini. Thank you. You guys got any question, you can stay back. Okay, kalau ada soalan boleh tanya saya lah. Kalau tak ada, boleh left. Alright, thank you guys. Take care. Sejarah watch histories. Yeah, thank you. I got A from doing that. My pemadam stick to my ruler. Hey, Simon, you never send me my picture also. You say you will send me today. Never send yet. Why KPM very love to give easy question in maths, but they love to play our mind? Because the name is AdMaths. Am I right, guys? Maths, AdMaths. Why got the word add there? Tambahan. Of course, it's harder lah. Mathematics tambahan. Definitely, it must be harder than maths. Correct? Yes. Because they want to twist and turn the question. The question they can ask in a straight way. Dia boleh tanya cara yang lurus, tapi dia pusing sikit supaya boleh bagi kamu confuse. Faham tak? Tapi maksud dia sama. They just want to confuse you by adding extra info here and there. Do you guys realize something or not? The more info the question give, right, the more confused you guys are. Am I right? Bila soalan bagi lebih banyak info kat kamu rasa lebih susah. Correct? Because you guys confused. That's the problem. If the question give less info, dia bagi kurang info sikit, kamu rasa lebih senang. Sebab tak ada banyak nak fikir. So this what AdMaths does. AdMaths, they like to give a lot of info. Banyak-banyak ayat yang berbelit. So many sentence, so many info, you guys confused already. Yes. Patient. You must be patient. Sabar. Sabar baca soalan. Why they make this year punya SPM finish within this year? Because they want to bring back to September. Sorry, not September. December. Okay, dia nak SPM kembali pada asal. Usually SPM will end at the end of the year, guys. Before Christmas. Because Christmas is holiday already. Holiday season. Christmas until New Year. So that's why they want to finish SPM sebelum cuti lah. So that everyone can enjoy Christmas and New Year. My last paper is account 17 December. After SPM, go party. Come to KL. Boleh party. Enjoy lah. Enjoy Christmas and enjoy New Year. All my phone is IP. Thanks, sir. Love you. Yes, thank you. We enjoy with sir. You have to come to KL to enjoy. If you're in Melaka, cannot. Dave. Nak masuk matrix kali. You want to enter matrix, is it? Which matrix? No. KL already. After this, I in KL from September. This year September. So December already in KL. Study there. Continue study in KL. Yeah. I'm at Cheras. Very far from you, Razik. Cheras to Sunway is very far, you know. Very, very far. You take MRT also will take 1.5 hours maybe. 1 jam 30 minit, I think. That go to Alam. What is Alam? I never heard before. What is Alam? Nevin, who knows? Many of us might study with you. Hopefully lah, see first. Who knows? Academy Laut. Oh, okay. Understand. Teachers A level. Why is you guys can study by yourself, right? Am I right? A level basically is just extra of SPM. So if you're SPM, you can do then A level also no problem lah. You're Sabah, right? Quite far lah. Unless I come to Sabah, which is don't know how long to take. Will you recommend to choose matrix? Depend on you. It really depends on yourself. Depend what course you want. If you can study by yourself, we not join your class tonight, sir. Mathematics. Okay, you guys must understand maths. Maths is a subject that no matter you study by yourself or you go tuition, there will be a question where you cannot solve. Agree or not, guys? Kamu buat sebanyak soalan manapun matematik, pasti ada satu soalan yang kamu tak tahu. Itu keunikan subjek ni. Am I right? Other subject, if you guys study a lot, right, you can master everything already. But maths and admaths not like that. They will confirm have one question where you will stuck. No matter how much you study. Even for me, bagi saya pun, there are some question I will stuck. I need to think more and more. So yeah, it's about discovering. The most important thing is discovering more and more questions so that you get better and better and better. You cannot be perfect, but you just get better and better. That's all. Let's say like this, today you're like this, then tomorrow you like this. You get more knowledge lah. That's all. So you just need to keep on trying. Cuba saja. Okay. That is maths and admaths. Okay. So that's why I say it's very hard for you guys to study by yourself. Okay, because certain question you guys don't know. Then who you go to? You must ask someone, right? So you need to ask your teacher or anyone. So sad that time you came to Eco Cheras, I cannot meet you. Hey, actually that day, why you didn't come? I also forget Adi, Razik. I was spent to makan at Kedai. Hey, thank you very much. Appreciate. In the Laos should take what? Definitely maths. Maths will have one. Confirm. A lot of maths and physics. Okay. Admaths lah, more towards admaths. One of my school students always laugh. I can't imagine how they went through all those difficulties. Yes, too also. What do you mean always laugh? I don't understand. Can you describe a bit more? Let me see. Will we have to tackle maths in pre-U? Pre-U depend what course you take. Some people they won't take maths after this. So yeah, it's kind of sad lah, guys. Because some people, right, they take maths and admaths SPM. Okay, they ambil dua subjek ni SPM. But then later on, suddenly foundation they ambil arts. So what is the point you guys study maths and admaths before this? Just to pass SPM untuk dapat grade yang bagus. To me, you should continue studying lah. If you're really passionate about it, kalau sangat berminat subjek ni maths and admaths, you should continue study because you can discover more things. Better continue study. If you guys got passion, jangan tukar, jangan ambil course lain. Okay? That's why I can say chemical engineer, they have to focus a lot on physics or compare. Yes, correct. A lot of people got misconception. Chemical engineer is a lot of chemistry. It's wrong. It's a lot of physics and maths, actually. Everyone think that chemical engineer ada banyak chemistry. It's wrong. Totally wrong. Pure mathematics. Pure mathematics is your admaths lah. David Tang. What you study in pure maths is admaths. My cousin take, yeah. Applied mathematics is more towards daily life. Daily life like statistics. Applied mathematics more towards your probability, all those kind of stuff. All those kind of things. Permutation, combination, those kind of topic. Okay, bye bye. Take care. Apa kaitan NMAS dengan account? Tak ada kaitan. Account is plus minus, nothing else. Am I right? Account tambah tolak saja. That one is normal maths also can do, guys. Account is not really maths, but you use maths. You just apply maths inside account. Account is a subject, but you just apply mathematics inside. There is no mathematic concept in account. Understand? It's just applying mathematics. He took chemical engineering until masters, but say difficult to get. Oh yeah, because you must work offshore kat Pelanta Minyak. Usually a lot of people work at the oil rig, Pelanta Minyak, chemical engineer. You must go to the sea, ke laut. So that's why the job is very limited. Because who wants to go to the sea and work? Am I right, guys? Siapa nak pergi laut dan kerja kat sana? Bahaya kan? Am I right? So that's why less opportunity lah. Still don't know what course to choose. Don't worry, still got time one, guys. You know that some people like even okay, example, you enter, you take engineering course. Example lah, guys, saya bagi scenario. You graduate with engineering degree, but then later on you work, you suddenly kerja as doctor. Possible, you know, guys. Okay, maybe not doctor lah, maybe as veterinary, haiwan, because suddenly your interest can change. Do you know what I mean, guys? Tiba-tiba minat tu boleh berubah tau, yeah. You don't know what happens, so you need to be ready for all the changes. Like it doesn't mean that, let's say you like bio now. Okay, example, sekarang kamu suka bio. You already set your heart, I want to come doctor later. Confirm I will come doctor. Tiba-tiba you suddenly see your interest change in uni. Tiba-tiba suka maths. So you need to change career lah straight away. Of course, a lot of maths, plan and elevation, a lot. Plan dan dongakan, all the angles for pilot. Trigo must be power if you want pilot, guys. Because pilot, you need to see the angle of landing, angle of taking off. Kamu kena kira semua tu. Very important. Trigonometry. Wow, a lot. If you want pilot means trigo. I continue the story above. Which story? Which story you said? Oh, NMAS and account kaitan, is it? Oh, then which one? Atas lagi. Wait, atas lagi. Iman, where? Wah, so above. Oh, she laugh every day. I wonder how she can laugh so loud, even the people. Why she laugh? Why the person laugh? Pilot course is expensive. Yeah, expensive. Can get scholarship. Depends lah. I think there are scholar, but not as much as engineering and math. Because engineering and math is a very common job. Do you all agree or not, guys? Any person you guys see in real life, you ask them what is their job, 60% will tell they are an engineer, 60% will tell they are doctor. Usually these two jobs are very famous one, guys. Sangat biasa kamu akan jumpa because there are so many field. Cabang dia banyak. So the general team is engineer and doctor, but the fields is many. So they'll just say I'm engineer, I'm doctor, but there are many fields inside. So that's why demand is always there for engineer and doctor because ada banyak cabang. Almost 500k for pilot. Oh yeah, depends which school you go to lah, which flying school, depends. Yes, by Sunway. Yes, I did. Wow, you guys thinking so forward SPM also tak habis, very competitive, right? You mean Sunway competitive, or you asking? Can say okay lah. Can say it's there lah. Yes, because there are a lot of people. So yeah, you can say it's competitive. No, it depends. Depends on your other achievement also. Maybe if you got good curriculum, then can get good achievement and scholarship. If I'm Malacca person, should I study in Malacca or other places? Depends. Yeah, if you feel like boring, then come to KL lah. No problem. Depends on you. Everything depends on yourself. What are your thoughts on overseas study? Overseas study depends which course you want and which country you like. So there are a lot of factors actually. Depends. There are good things and also bad things. So you need to see which one suits you the best. Is it local or international? Which one you feel better? Historical places. That's all you have. Antarctica, no university lah, guys. What you want to do there? Every day, same thing. Melaka so panas. Last time I went. Yes. Usually it's hot. Come to Sarawak. Swinburne. Swinburne famous, right? David Tang. I'm dying. I heard of that before. University of Technology, I think. If not, yeah. I think it's about technology, engineering, and all that. Very famous over there. I never went to Sarawak or Sabah. Me too. Same. Maybe we can go together. Sir Belanja. Where are you? SpringStar. Which state? You from? Name? What's your name? This one is fake name, I know. Yeah, what's your name? Secret? How can I know who are you when you tell secret? I don't know who are you also. At least you must give some clue. Guys, one thing I want to ask you guys, how to say, why like to keep the name secret one? Just interested to know. Why you guys so secretive with your name? Very precious, is it? Your name, Sophia? Because okay. I think I recognize you, just because it's fun. Oh, it's nice name. Yeah, nice name, but hard for me to recognize. Suffocating to live in Semenanjung. I heard they are much more maju. Yes, of course it's maju over here, but there are also places that less maju, like more towards nature, like that. It depends, but mostly it's maju. Iman tak dapat diwarisi. Tak dapat diwarisi. Why? I never get the joke, I think. Oh, okay, understand. The only thing I know is she's orang beriman lah. That's all. When you coming Melaka? Melaka, I got no reason to come. KL is the nearest for you. Melaka to KL is not far. You come KL, easier. If you have holiday after SPM, then you can come. How many drinks you have? How many drinks? That one also you interested? Iman Yudina. Naik Becha. Yeah, correct. Penang also got Becha lah. SpringStar. Penang Becha is traditional. Melaka Becha is modern. You guys like traditional or modern? Depend on you guys lah. Yes, got traditional. Will you drink a cup? Then you drink from bottle. Oh, one is Milo, one is plain water. So that's why I separate. You want me to mix all in one, is it? Oh, sure, boleh. You taste lah how it is. You taste and see. Confirm you don't like one. Not tasty at all. Wow, yes. Tak suka. Not tasty at all. So dilute. Any other questions? All of you. Ada someone lagi. I was drinking Chagi the whole time. Chagi fan are you? Jangan kena potong kaki ya. Hati-hati ya. Takut kena potong kaki nanti. Always the people tell me, those who drink Chagi, right, are the ones who are want to kena potong kaki in the future. Chagi is very international, David Tang. Not only in Malaysia got, Singapore also got, I think. Other countries, I think, also have. Thailand also should have. Any Southeast Asian country should have Chagi one. It's international brand. From China, I think. China also have. Got a lot of places, this brand. But I never tried before, surprisingly lah. Although it's so famous, I never tried it. Chagi, Gongcha, and Boost Juice. Oh, okay. I got try Boost Juice. No, I hate. I don't like the taste. I tasted once, I don't like a Cannot. Doesn't match my personality. Yeah, it tastes a bit weird. That's why I don't like. I like teas a lot. Oh, teas. You like teas lah. Okay. Okay lah. There are quite a lot of teas. Yeah. Matcha is good. This one you must ask the matcha expert, not me. Any one of you expert here can help lah. Tastes like glass. Okay. My favorite is Boost Juice. Mee Shui. Mee Shui also I take. And then what else? Let me think. Starbucks. Starbucks is also nice. And then Zeus Coffee. 4 things. Do you drink chai? I don't drink that chai. I drink the Chinese tea. You know Chinese tea, yeah? That chai. Actually, Indian chai I got taste before also, but not the kind of craving lah. Just for occasion can drink lah, but not crave for it every single time. Can drink lah. Yeah. Mee Shui behind my school ada. So every time after school you go there lah. I've never had Indian chai. It's not so popularized. That's the thing. You need to find it from an Indian stall. Other place won't sell one. You need to get it from a specific location. And it must be a good location also. Then make it popular. Go to India and get it. Why you need to go all the way over there? You can find in Malaysia, what? Oh my god. Yeah lah, original is there lah. Here also okay still. My dream is to try all kinds of tea. You have kedai near your school? Oh, okay. Oh, school near mall. Which mall lah? Sophia? Because I know you KL, right? So I know all the malls one. Tell me near which mall. Then I can find a D. Melaka, I don't know. Don't tell me. Melaka, don't tell me. I don't know any mall there. Secret so that my school not exposed. Just tell the mall. Don't worry. Maybe I don't know. So, MP and DP. Hey, you got tell me your school name, right? Before you join my class. So I know your school name lah. SpringStar. It's in the WhatsApp. I can find a D. I don't need to ask you also. Just type mall beside that school name. That's why I always ask your school name one, guys. So that I know. Are you simply cheating or real or not? It's really secluded mall. Which part of KL? Tell me. I can guess. Which part? Serta Park. Serta Park, I don't know. That place I don't know. No wonder you say it's secluded. No idea. Yeah, no idea. Not a famous mall, I think. Must be the small ones lah. I think so. Yes, correct. Some more they want to build more malls. So even more malls are coming. So yeah, keep on building only. Only got two things: MRT, LRT, malls. That's all. Construction, only these two things they want to construct. Nothing else they want to build. And of course they build the tallest tower lah, second tallest tower in the world. That's all. What if they build a school near Pavilion? Oh, cannot imagine lah. Please, that area itself is so jammed. Bukit Bintang, right? You're asking Pavilion Bukit Bintang, right? Oh, gone. Cannot. When I go there itself so jammed already. You build school guys, gone. The area is like cannot already. The student won't go to school, guys. The student will go to the mall every time. No point going school. Everything you can find in the mall. Movie, food, karaoke, what else? Anything else lah? Can't relate to you guys' topics because you guys live in areas around KL. Yeah. Is it free to shop the mall? Yes. If they skip class, they go to mall. Yes, exactly. That's why you should not build the mall in the first place. Dangerous, these kind of things. Unless, how to say, it is weekend lah, then you can go. If weekday, very hard for all of you. So yeah, anything else before I end? I also want to end the class already. If you no David. After school, during extra class, we go eat in the mall. So nice lah. Happy. Some school cannot enjoy that also. Got KFC and McD, expensive. Oh, it's expensive mall, is it? Expensive mall. Book students. Got KFC and McD. Okay lah. No, we're just okay, understand. Not the atas mall lah. It's a normal mall. Okay, understand. Okay, guys. So can I end already? All of you. So yeah. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. Good luck for trials. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Good night. Yeah. Make sure you guys get some rest. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Take care. Thank you. Thank you.